Adofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV. Jumedi atune din enkranhye ensemre. Osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotego era beti dwoma medi ho chiame. Edi ne wadodo ade twaso te wana na Nita Ekotego mate. Ennese so emre to so miensa. The third law of love and relationships. That third law is the law of learning. Learning adisua. One will say aware pe na akomu a wogi certificate as akosua de. Okoware obi say am marriage certificate. Meanwhile wonim hu aware mu. No am certificate. Therefore, lessons of love and relationships are learned in the process of the love relationships. Yekita ngudie mu na esua de. Na mahuru yie na so hunu yie. Until the first time I be hia no, this time na you be fefe ya ho ano, na so nsem I love you. Our first and second years are meant for us to understand our differences, to learn about each other's don'ts and do's, to know your likes and your dislikes, to appreciate your views. So there's a lot of learning in relationships. Nkitangudie enyina so baako ene adesua. Men kan se me de minim unim hu. Se wo tobo na wo sua sinto a ewo wo anka se wabrabo mu. Ene sinto ewo me mu na agitum. Ese wo sua bia bia wo ahodne na me so bia wo ahodne na opagya me. Ese wo sua ne amepɛ ne amempɛ. Ebi wa na mempɛ so nye. Ebi wa mepɛ no so nye. How do you manage me then to come to mutual conclusion and mutual meaning? There's a lot of learning to be done in our relationships. Adechi bia ya adesua. Adesan bia ya adesua. Enti wodo nyina so baako eye se yesua de. Ebia me yankrani bifempo ano. Anapa me so na me pese me di dokono. Ebia wo ya kani ufri kumase no ho a. Anapa pa mpese ni abom. Me mpa mpese na abom. Kwan ben so na wo besua dokono die. Na me so mesua ampese die. Na ya kan bom. E adesua. Ebia dokono me miamia ne se ya na mamene. O so ampese wo wesa. Me so mpa wesa. Na so esa se me no bebo brakosi dan kwament no. Ese metimi sua se de wesa ampese. Na so sua se de mia dokono na udie. E adesua. Ebia na bebia wo free no. Se wo so na pa wo de nso hye na adware. Me so me de nso onyu na adware. Me nto hita e na me ne kettle. Kwan ben so na be fa so asua nso onyu no adware. Se wo sua. Ana se me koto kettle ne bi ma. We have to learn to live together. We have to learn to think together. There's no way about me. Adwin said I'm adwin. You cannot think like me, and I cannot think like you. We can only think together. We have to learn to think together. What the adwin ba? Na me the adwin ba. Ni asemu. Ni yidi asafata. So we learn to think together. In relationships, don't try to make the other person like you. Learn not to try to make the other person like you. Or your ba also obema. And kwaye ne se onye mema nioma. And also your ba no so obema. And fa so onye mema nioma. Se beta frache oba utimi su eye. Bema ofifi nsemu eye. Nti mema bema nkasa na wanye ni ye. And wan fa ne say ono dabi. And ma de atenka and ye de won ye. And mema ye mfifi mu. Ni nyina so ye. Se wo sua se de atenka ekura wo ba. Na wo ba so sua se de be fifi nsemu akra bema. Odo nyina so ene ntiase obuo tuwache kasapa ene ne yepa ni nyina ya de ese esua se wa nya obi a utimi sua de a untimi ene obi ni nkita honda. You must be ready to be a student of life, to be able to relate with people perfectly. Se wonye obi a utimi sua de a woni nkrofo kita ho de obebre eti ametie mimini ameye and so rate of ekasa kire me na masua de every no na my program na di mu me sua se de hwe camera mu enti obi di akosua no e na de kire me o se ya hwe camera ni sei na matri na me mu enti minimi bi de na se me sua obi so de na edi mu onko a woni me biara ti enkita hodie e adesua de enya ahomaso enya ahantan enya miniminim na emra etoso miensa emma nkitahodie dimu eyese wa krado se obesua de wa sua de me wo me so sua de awo ni aka bomu e de yi ene de asori me yiri se wa sua bibi kachire obi sɛ nyame sua ye nie na empo enka wotim afabubura me say there are 3 laws today of relationships. The first law is the mirror law. The second law is the law of elevation. The third law is the learning law. So obesua de sua ade adechi bia na betumpon woni onyame entina aha na meja wo edin yam so ni tekotego me da woni a ebo machi dom eye camera sound MCR lighting and a producer Randolph and a web campaign do me da nyina ase wa wonya amre hwe me de onyame nhira wo aha na meja wo woni onyame entina
Throwback Thursday na say ye koyenchi na yakaka ye ho nyuma hodo bi a abesene kwade na nso emu ode pa na ye di bi atwa na ase anope na de edu so no ye bedwam so kase me mo akwa ba me da se wo hwe Adom TV nsem no de obetie bi ene se bi si ya desuafo no be ye empem ahansia na ye chie no waye krado an yakopɔ ya Adom adwada wo mo ebetre won enso resanso na chendere hene ene ye wahye bi si ya desuafo won mpotemo bo se de obetre obetwa yie pa best candidate na motorbike efidie tetafo ibodi bi ebeche no new adubi asenso MPP opanyina wono ena wo yetitire ne ewo hono no ene wo de masete ho bo no be 8,000 Ghana cedis acheche ama adesuafo kotro BC ensohwe na ma Cecilia da panso wo mo awia no sika no ya mpanifo hwehwe mu abeto bia se nipa mienu nso waside kwadu abo won we nim nsa wahodo bi na megina hade ma wo se bedwam so kase wo hia me ayafra me anoche wa ba ajwase wa fe zemre ntwemo no mede to so amaw ebibrem atoye adwumaku aya pa se wo mo nanhwe ngmasua honsem so West Africa Examination Council no WAEC wo mo echemu a BC ya desuafo no makomako empema hansia ahanso ni dunai 600,714 ena aya hoboa ebra so se nyankopon ya Adom adwada BC nsohwe na wo mba kotena se na watwe
BC yo 600,714 candidates are mutual BC afi. BC is from 7th August to 11th August. Wasn't there shall said that. More the questions be at to just say if you work. Now sa questions no to me esua adia fa ho a obetimi atwonso hena pass ni yie. En ye ka se ye che obi abose ye de sa nyomo no betudwa. Afenso ye ma obia ejuma so fa sa questions no ntudwa. Why conso enya sa de no de ne se mamo syllabus ba say bia ma specific topics awokosua na wo de abetwa exams no de enya de a ye bisa
enwachi enana mateki sanka oye senior legal officer ewo WAEC ekyerɛkyerɛ ensama wodo a ebeduru wanim ewo afempinu ne aduonum yenu enso hwe a wo mo twere yenim ene de wo mo atimi aye afa ho.
We've got ruling in 4 cases and 8 persons were convicted. There are 3 cases that is still pending in court involving 14 persons. 1 case was reported to GES. In 2 cases, the persons were discharged. And there are 12 cases that are still under investigation. They are still under investigation because for some, the docket has been forwarded to the Attorney General for their advice.
Eguswa ewo BC ya desuafo no wono enso hwe beba so no emu na chenere hene wono koya no ye ankobia hene ewo begimase na nanu matra konwa entem sanso na ne dini na na okoje wone assembly member ya owo chindere ena afempanifo ahodo bi a wo mo Free Ghana Education Service ye wo potem ho no ekobo anaye kosra ye wo mo okotro BC nsohwe no ahodo ebi na we no omokwa aban school musa kwa nkwankwa schools ahodo mna ho no na eri tudwa se ne potem ho no na desuafo okotro BC nsohwe no do bedi nkan pa ya ne max bekosro no ene afidie tetafo ebi moto no obeto bi na odi ache sa woni kronse be ya ebehye ni nkura mana koso asua de na ne dache akoye
edana na okweji ase ne anamopa otu edifa school no emi se emi nwanwa na ayeme den su biu sɛ ɔhenpɔn kɛseɛ bisa sɛ mbɔfra ba bɛtwerɛ exams a ɔde ato no ho so na ɔnenam schools ɛyɛ JSS no ɛma ɔne candidates no ɛkasa ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɔto ɔmofo na mbɔfra no ɛbɛnya kukuaduro na ɔmo ahu sɛ nsɔhwɛ na ɔmo akɔtwerɛ no nananom ahoɔden ɛne
obia ni wiase a wɔse wɔn wɔntumi nyɛ bibi gesa wɔse wɔntumi nyɛ ana meboa kwadwefo mo yɛ history mami afiwe mati mo mami the highest mark wa obanya nso no wa obanya the highest mark no adam de mama me nka nkyerɛw sukumu hana me de bebrɛw mati omu fi sɛ bia yesu a enti yɛntumi nyɛ hwee yɛbɛka atwerɛ mu sɛ empo yesu a yɛbɛsi omu nyinaa mai hwee ni hɔ yɛ kwakɔpaase
yɛmfiri ɛyɛ kyenere na yɛnkɔ new adubiase na adesuafo a wɔnom bɛtwerɛ BC so hwee mu ano NPP amanyɔkuo no titire ne ya ɔwɔ hɔ no mo ya obuadu ɔbɔ ne mmara ne sɛ almighty wabɔ ne homɔden yɛ ne maset yɛ nkɔda desua deɛ bi wakeka bɔ mu ayɛ ho ka no bɛ empem nwɔtwe ne sɛ bɛ 8000 Ghana cedis ɛna wato akɔkyɛ ama wɔn mu bɛtwerɛ BC ne wasi ɛwɔ mpɔtam ho
Ebradom Kasia Maniboni Isaac Nomenyo ene niwe dubiase NPP amanyoko ni titreni ya obodu etwetwem komo ene wadi tu dwase de enti ehye ni nkran se ode adesua ho akade be kwa komma adesuafo ene se ebra wo mkwa kwetwere so hwi eya na wo mu hia saa ne mai pa senti wode boa wo mu a emrofra no so ho bɛhen ha wo mu okade to aso se adesua ni bia obɛbɔ ne homode won social ni mu no no wayi single number no obɛma ne Ghana cedi empimienu se bɛyɛ obetime dia boaboa no ho akɔ ento aso suku
akora bi wɔ no ma obetime aba betena examination ho o pene kura no nkura bi obi ba no nkura wula ndi sɛ wonya two of ayini dia oba exams no sɛ wonya de kura de sɛ o number line online ade no obetime align ama bibia yɛ kama
enwachi District Director of Education Ebenezer Kofi Asare echere se na ni so se otitire ni ababeye wo mo saado yi adesuafo bi a onsaka sa mathematical seti enso ene adom kase etwetwe enkomo
yedana se pa wo de wayem sanse
yanko enkaneswafo no hwe ensuansuwa ne ahonedi ho nsem so na kache ma Cecilia Abnadapa eye wo mo susu se ne sika bia na edan fie wo mo twetwe mu kakra ma ebe ye sika puduo no sasam no ewa posifo nsem na enrada na wo se wo mo nipa no mo abo nko adutumi ebepiem ewa semdi bia nanso wo mo antimi anko ne nyina ene se mpanifo ayenhwemu ama betodwa se afoforo mienu bi ka ho bia ewo se wo mo so kofo mo na asemdi bia no otimbe piem ho na asenie no obo ma hwemu pefe eni atentere ne ho nsem ejina brane
enipa no mu a Chronoboy so ewo swafo akane no hwe sanitation and water resources so Cecilia Dapa efie a osusu se wonom ebo krono no enei abra wonom ekọ no wonom ama nanso police prosecutor no ekire mu se esan se wonom akire enipa foforo nti na saa enipa no mi wonom ama court hono nanso ne nyina mu no attorney general Godfred Yebo Adame ma efutuo bi a efa Cecilia Dapa sika wawia no ehon sem no ho Zansabo so meda neto swedu no nine police for ede sansem no ho docket ekọ attorney general no asoye yesebe ya obetu wonom fo ewo kwan a wobefa so edi asem no eno akire na wode sansemi ebetu dwa charge sheet no so no wokire mu se patients botwa wanya mfie du wotwe ene Sara eje a ono so wanya mfie du asa osusu se wawia $dollars no opepe baako euros empem wo ha miensa ene Ghana sika no opepe bebre ya akro no boi kita onsabo some ekosi ahine mebosome ewa afimpenu ene adwunumienu mu ena ekoso nsem a wode call attorney general aso ye no ene ama wo hwe ne mu kwan se wobehwehwe mu eye sobo a wode abosa ni pei se wawie sika ene nsem a efa sansemi hu emu hwehwemu ene kwan a kaneswafo no efa so enya aseska no ewo ni fie na attorney general no asha police for say wonye hwehwemu enhunu $dollars empem wo ha mienu ene euros empem wo ha miensa wo susu se wawia no nipa kora eye ne dia ene kwan a wofa so enya aseska no afei $dollars no empem wo ha wotwe ya ɛyɛ Cecilia Dapa nua bɛma wafiri mu ɛdia ɛne Ghana sika no empem wɔhamiensa wɔyɛ anesoafo yi maame ayie wonyaayɛ no nso wɔnhwehwɛ mu na wɔnhunu baabi sika ne free na afei kwan yɛ fa so sɛ sika nyinaa ɛyeraayɛ ɛwɔ maame fie nso so wɔnhwehwɛ.
Yen free mama Cecilia Dapa nsɛm no so na yen konsɛm foforo mu ekwa kopiem watifi mantem no emu saredugu mensin no emu na okɔ hɔ no a technical institute baako ɛwɔ hɔ no mo enkade no ofrɛ de sɛ tipole na administration block ya wowura mu a principal ne deputy officers ɛwɔ hɔ no mo afrekwa no library ehyemu bi senior house master office mu bi ejahurehura ba ne ho bere so amadan ya hyema ejapade ahodo ɛnasɛye.
We are here this morning to sympathize with the administration of this institute, that's Tamil Technical Institute. Yesterday, they got the entire building razed down by a fire. So, as students associations on campus, we thought it very wise that we should come and then sympathize with them and see to ourselves what has really happened. The information that we gathered from the authorities here is that yesterday in the night, they had a fire outbreak. And actually, for now, they can't tell what might spark the fire or what the cause of the fire.
Okare to aso say atwetwefo etete veranda so ya sese eho na wo mo eje wa home senti ene animu ya ewo se wotimi eye bibi efa ho.
Their laptops, their fridge, their air conditions, table and chairs, their books, everything has been burnt. Everything has been burnt. They were not able to salvage anything because it happened last night. And because of that, there was nobody to open offices for them to remove items or whatever was inside. So their properties are gone. Their condition now is miserable. They don't have office currently as we speak. They are currently using classrooms as their temporary place for their daily work. So on behalf of management of the institute and the university in general, we are appealing to individuals, philanthropists outside, NGOs, government, the Ministry of Education. Actually, what has happened here is serious. So we are standing on behalf of school management to appeal to whoever can support.
Yanko akwambone ho ensem eso manfo bia wonom eti doyum kodia be agomeda asebi ene bronu ahodo bembe no wo mu ate wo ho agumonten so ayeye kire na ye kire ni mo no na ne wo mu esi akwan ahodo bi efre po ye mantem e ba shae osu documency ni mo nkrakropo mu ase na adom kase ene blonya tomanche ya wo doyum ne anoba sasraku ya wotoso miiro twetwe nkomo no chese wo mu ayeye kire brebra so se wo mu de krata akoma ba na mu sini fred of kire o hawo akwan bone ye won potem ho no edema wo no.
Last I press briefing no no brel because na press briefing and na dia ye won ani breso nti ne asisi kwan no se ne be ya onbe hu se ye demonstrate ye ntena duase in demonstrate ekuro no wo yen nti ekuro no mu ne be gina a demonstrate and na ye si kwan na free ayikuma ebe sin akọ join akosombo highway no afen so kwan ya free agomeda ebesin abekotema yesi eno so na ye kromu kwan na afi doimu eko doimu junction eno so yesi de ye nyina no ye fi ha ye twen agomeda emebunu no beba abeka kode abefo ho kode abefo nso beba abeka ye ho wo ha ne ye nyina ya machi afa asabi ye firi asabi a ye kwa ayikuma ye firi ayikuma ye ne omu nyina ye kododo wa ne de petition akoma DC wo no
wasan editu dwa se woba mantem ho a abo ahodo a womo epaipai ewo ho no eno a ana womo ede abo aye project ahodo ewo tema akosombo highway
ya ha oni se ya kwan ya bre ya ma ya to niama ko backroom abeton ya gbadifo ya to niama se obe faka ji so ko krofoforo so anse na kwa faka wa unya kawa ka ni se kwan ni nye nti ya pese ya kwan no omunya ma ya pese ya kwan we ya kwan abre ya wa manki tuwa ya be ma wa aduane ya nyin se ya kwa hospital na ya fru na se kwan ni nyo ya kwan ni nye ya fru ta ko gba ya nya ka Iki yan kwano wanya, yan votu. Yan lale kwano yasi ame yama yen. Anu ne hiya yan wokuram ha. Yan lale kwan ya secondary school. Yan nishi wokuram ha. Ya pralale kwano ame yama yen. Aha ya bra.
Every one of my message enko Kumasi and Krantempo no eso na Nkawanda number 1 eye kroba ko ye hye mo na wo mo so ani abrepa won ha yina se potholes akase ye deda kuro ni mu na no so ye kwantempo nti no ama botem ho no ankasa no na nsantem bia no ka na pothole yi so nya nkwanhia ma nipa dodo no a na efiri afoforo bi nso na edidam to osrempadimfo se saa mena no abededa kwan ni mo no mehwe emetuatua no
Womanfo a womo Nkawanda number 1 ewo Kwewu West empatem ade abetu dwase ekwan ye free enyinem ade kɔ nkɔkɔ ene ne empatem a wode kɔ Kumasi no saa ekwan no eso atutu ama hyen a efa ho no aya na eta enya akwanhyia womo enam sansem nso ade adesede eto osoafo a ono ene hwɛ roads and highways kwasi amoako ata enim so onye bibi emfa homo
hana mapatem ameton ade by say na no rekwan no emu atutu ne se ne adrova fo ne be say photos ni ti omu so mu bom a ebenya accident nti no omu edoje say omu ba enya agro akase ka ne ba bubu apatanani ti ebi okreti mi sori fra apatanum edwane eye hu pa se cars ne ba ekwan ni ti omu doje traffic na omu asi we quota we na akasa so ba bi nipa nam no titru kra ne school fo na free ha ko 96 no omu ba na car ne ba che so omu microsin kwala ne ba na ya se no say omu teso matie si wade nkula ni momu towura maka ni momu kwan yes na na do se na dawroma omu meboa e no meye kwan ni yema na kwan ni de yesuro pa
3 days bia ne akonwura nwuram amanfo wata papai chese tumi ya tufa wa pa ne be pa nkwara ya bom tie srom me mai ko ba na omu medu ya na me yemo hihye wom ndi wom
akwana artificiality ema ka no odu a no afa pavement ne so ene no kura atwamu na ye nkwala yi nam kwan so anopa ni awimle ti esra ma ne se o mehwe kwan no nyama na jese abro so anansa nanu na ka wuram saa na ko so ko esra ma no mehwe kwan no
anu kwan nye o meye mayen saa kwan de hia ye papa ye nkwada ne ye nanane mu nyina nam so enti wo mo mehwe mayen
Roya de kase no esi braso se hwe de bonkwata no munsema hodo bi aba fa ye bekoy online portals no so adomonline.com myjoyonline.com and sama hodo a yato ye mbo ase akuchire gu hodom de bebo na poso no ma na fa yi wawremu na ensempa no egumbo no wanya bia kenka in fact from sports to foreign politics entertainment bibia bi ewumu bi nti ko adomonline.com na myjoyonline.com ana wakokenka bi but before then, kwasi sianswa ye krado, de obonkrata no, de abano de ni nyina ekuta no. Kwasi
adwa
kwa ba.
Mejo so.
Lenso ye da foforo.
Ade patch ye. Yenya gidie ni areshimu yankasem se na kwa ye koye nsa mansapan.
There be no wasted efforts.
Pia ye pie free ye fie akomonten sui. Ye kode nsa akwa koye adwuma.
Sa.
Ye nkom mansapan da.
Ebi.
Ebesi ye.
Amen.
Ebehia ye boafo.
Amen.
Ebenye omo metu anim dia kire.
Amen.
Na nyame asi wo na betan ye ho kwan.
Sa.
Ayo na ye ya woda. Yes, ye kwen. So say what na holiday. Ene dem na holiday ya. Ya ye ho aye keke ye.
Asa mi do mi uni enka holiday.
Enka ho.
Ye china ye gina.
O china Founders Day with apostrophe S. Edisuafo no se musuan ne ye.
Yes.
Enkane no na apostrophe no wo ba bia gina. Ene na apostrophe na ba begina bi nti ba bia ba begina ne no. E ho ne ye celebrate.
Okay.
So Founders Day. Ochina. Adwa last week Thursday.
Yes, and now what she said
now just said you come be about the running mate or NDC Amyoko.
Yeah, ni pe bia no mu dia pie.
We say last week me catch us say it's a race nankasa ba begina between Ashanti and Eastern.
Yeah.
Because you are near it near say. Na be ni bi wom. But asem penfo fi say be for the assault you.
Okay.
Yes, me can be meka bro any hafo ni nyina.
Okay.
Now Central Region the so no. Omo fi say ya sort Central Region for with a minority leader position
in parliament. Okay.
So the 4 main region na ewom BA Central, Ashanti, Eastern. No, emu mienu de party mpenfo fi say ya sorti omo. Now after two.
Na be one dey no mo de sorti.
Oh, say be the regional chairman.
Chairman, okay.
Johnson say doing
Ketia fi ho, okay.
Yes. Tiomfi say ya sorti.
Ato
Central region.
So Central. Okay.
Yes, Aka, Ashanti and Eastern. In fact, these are the four main regions in the contest.
Okay.
Now, I said I make Ashanti there, but Eastern there so I do a BB say so.
Sir.
Okay, former chief of staff. Julius Debra.
Sir, Pepe.
I do Julius Debra baby race ni mu awo. Me dem aso to form no. Sene papa no aircon. Submarine. Says I am Ashanti there na the last week no. Because party Penfolfi said the few months Julius Debra benya the position as chief of staff no. The magic we hear in the party and in the country no huge.
Okay.
And what's a party in fortunes be kakra. And they believe say be as a best 4-year term kra as chief of staff.
So when you kakra na that was.
They believe say maybe in 2016 kwa party ni kra ko opposition. So the party Penfo be fee say if say Julius Debra back as running mate, it will be the good of the party and the country.
Okay.
Because of the pursue away. Yes, there was this issue about say yes, want me to quite enco America ne ade. But if they are quite titi, when somewhere 1991 be na so be a passport be a visa be nasa in tuition visa be ne kofa. I look around and pen for church say ade a bit me a deal with
32 years ago.
Yes, 32 years ago. Tinye assemblies yes. But the be our Julius Debra you are evra adedimu no. And it's in the party for no air work coming and say this is the man they need. Because they also feel say Julius Bar for the party to continue after John Mahama no high.
Yeah, okay.
There's one party nation. Either say John Mahama benya obia or ni nyina be call retirement.
Okay.
And also benya obia or je chairman na This is where the party people feel say Julius Debra comes into the picture.
Okay.
Eti ya be chere Omubabu nyina.
That's how election headquarters.
Obi obamu bia, eni de ode ba bia.
Be bona ba kwasem.
Ye last week Ashanti region, this week East region. Say Central BA sesa. Ye ma. Ajoba daily guide do. Is the sister that pass, say achini panson.
Yes, two abeka.
Much in panson. And investigators na so tamale.
Yes, so more to crime.
Yes. Attorney General so the advisor ba.
Yes.
Na ene ebejibre ene yenua akable ye wo joy news ahwa Attorney General advice na odi aba because sembi atwetwe aso kakra number 1 ye tie fa assembly say assembly ye no honorable sisira abena pa kunu se omo kire abayo na obeto ne dem won ko Tesado police station but Attorney General report ni kire mu say Adanse die bie no e chese abaye na chine ko Tesano police station.
Okay.
So, is another ba konso esa me say. Ni nua ne nyeska ne we.
Onua no ankofo bi ka se eye ni nua sika.
Ana be ono aka.
Ono aka.
Mama si da brother pa. Because ni nua no this kind free ebusua fie bre si da pa no. Enso ma testimony. Onso twere na no asem.
Na no asem.
On the digital on upon this kind of brain.
Ni sister.
Say you say $800,000. Na wunya no ye adwuma ben. Okra ne me fra monone. Because most no akra ne mata fra mo na betanya amano sika. Sa bum. De adwuma ben na no ye.
Kokoto e mpo de na e wudi CDs na ba koto.
Say adwuma be bia se ba ko asa ba be de ye say. Who so no bo say abada person no. Ye say sika nyina $1 million. And also $800,000 ye ni nwane dia. But see e kase according to Attorney General $200,000 ye ni ni pay ne dia.
Okay.
And you say what 300,000 euros min so ka ho. And also ye ni ni pa.
Ghana cedi ni kwa de so man to di.
Ghana cedi no ye fan
to di.
Ye ni ni pa.
Sa 300,000 euros so ye ne dia. So now we have $200,000, 300,000 euros.
So
this will to me accounted for that $800,000. We still have 200 and 300.
What comes say 300,000 euros will give you somewhere about $330,000 or $340,000.
Yes.
They are talking about $540,000.
You know,
ye nim baby says can free. It it attorney general tufo ntim se ene akable be gibre na ye collect ni mu mako baby antiase nye adwuma nyina be kama ye hu se ahade.
Thank you.
This is the brother power. Nana pushes for prioritization of women, children. President Adom Dankwa can say, hey, man, penny. Oh, that's what the tax are to pay.
Can promise.
And I'm pushing mama. To push mama say.
Oh, pushing my.
Mr. President.
Say, a man, what can I say? Mr.
President. Oh, pushing the same. A man in Kwadaya primo wing, a man Kwadane woman to me in school. Was part of wiring. So how are you pushing for them?
Na me kwa kurasi. And I'm who say o baby o hokra no a. Obu a wo twansuo.
Yeah.
Ansa na wakosku. Na usiesie ohun ye mpo a. Wodim say wonam nsuo ni mu a. Ohun han wo. Na wodi tiwro na ahye hoi. Na wo fa nsuo mu a. Sa nane o. Sa tete.
Mr. President. Say if you are pushing for a madia and a sad way dear. Say yanka so mo manufacture bi wo Ghana no ene e be ye zero tax credit am mo timi aye ne mo
na no ne bo na ba fo mo
so yes ye ntimi nkra bi bi afa mfra mo ne so e betimi apekwa me so de ahye mo ye sanitary pad bi wo Ghana say zero tax credit de be mo a Mr. Chere de
because dem de ko che yi me to adaka bia to 250 cedis ene wo mu 24. You get it. This at least it tax in never be quite free so more. No much be to adaka no. E be about 200 or 180 ya.
Yeah.
Na say me na me ko to make matter be 10 cedis.
Sure.
But you go so ka.
Give us use Attorney General Kenneth over DTT platform Daily Guide and the new Crusade Guide Abokata and so any Bank of Ghana set record straight on 2022 published annual report and financial statement. Danger looms at Aduaji as Achim Ebuakwa state protest against gruesome murder of Odeshe Kwame Sarkodie. The policies too must soar higher under your reign, as Santehine admonishes new chief. Old Ashoma has no chief or die in tow. Family warns public. In fact, New Crusading Guide. President congratulates Mediama SC. Doma East MP allows ECG boards for increasing revenue through digitalization. The New Crusading Guide, your man for the graphic to us on that online. IMF bailout. Government meets second release conditions. They release another $300 million Saudi Arabia. Slave trade repatriations. AU approves Ghana conference. GCB Bank at 70. Testament of banking leadership. Bank of Ghana. Daily graphic. That's the way Ebano paying.
Yan share your online portal on so adomonline.com. Van Veker's heartwarming family photos on his 46th birthday melt hat. Me who picture and busa sana yere ne de he and an eba no first because o he abaya no gina na chi no a on ne yere won hye de hu difference de he na epe ni o won tem
de
eye
utime to on se free ho na why expand scope
exactly
I want them there.
Na wa ye adwuma hwe wo mo.
Yes, I want them.
Because akwanya ne bana ahoboa ne wo ho no mo.
Na betimi awo.
Won tem. Yes. And the me say madoma chade ya wo. Nti me say 1 year 1 child. Go for the policy. And nti me dey na 1 year 1 child. Nti we by December dey na mabatu. Nti next year by now no. Na sa hina nya na chiriba. I don't know when they are just
1 year
1 child.
Okay.
Yes. Award ye say by
policy. When one district one factory. Age na so. Because the next generation na ye put on the
Thank you. So 1 year, one child. And why to clamp down on candidates from private schools who have registered to write BC in published way. Papa de make private school I will do from 2. Yeah, you know quite buying school.
Yes.
Because you want Jimmy say a one I would try a placement no a be place you
be say a buying school for no. You will mark be a wunya. Ubetimi nya chance opoku ware.
Okay.
Yeah, obi okọ private school nya the same mark.
Onya sa chance na.
So maybe be a calculate who say my ho de ntimi 6 ne 7 ne 8 no. But me share somewhere be say 12 15. 12 15 wa public schools betimi wako. Opoku ware.
Next what swap it.
Fast na
okay. Nti why I say na ni aba ho nti obehwe.
Omo list no.
Okay. Obehwe na say eja. What you trust ade ne so. You see I still feel tiny bit of sweetness for Satawale. Well, Michi Diano. Plus size bride showcases confidence as she twerks on husband as their wedding reception. Okay. MP sends important message to Akufo-Addo over Dan Boche na Toshi field. Na say no sumun sem adomonline.com. Like and no do entertainment doors ho. 1 2 3 entertainment, your WAEC and your politics and so ewa ha. Nti saa na de ma kakra kakra.
Say na Toshi ne
Dan Boche.
Dan Boche asem. You will see it as it is.
Thank you.
And if na semidika.
Thank you.
And you will give evidence.
Thank you.
Yemfia no keke.
Enka.
Ajenko.
Ebusia no nti ye kwedie na we so hunu se agwakansie beba sanso na ho sepe beba na nne asemi dika se de odi kan boso no eja dam ebede de se buruburu ewi a the people's forum so ewo ho efa he ne ekwa akogina de ne ehwe nsuo totoyi ye bedi bu nkomo ansa na nkomo ahodo bi e ho ma no choba matena se na mediama Badwam se ne ye basisia
by Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwumadi so dia o kansie ho sempan sa kana no pensu jam de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi kunyana me kono kwanten kode smaudo ensaka and ano pensu bi e Ghana agudie 8 eja o hye no soma mse nwuma kumyenu o madama o na bom ska dwete me na no pede nkomo eba Richoko bo modern da person start today no na wonya na right there Richoko and betia no hye no na boa emaniama etia tutu ye dia ma ura ba bia na so ye shop yam sew ema Richoko emo niamam ebetia sabo maniama tia ko edi ma Richoko no ye wonketo a ye wade ntem na fe so ye wobode e ho no ma setime kebia nkwala betia sanom o papa ne maame so betia sanom na boa emo asetan etia san ko edi ma bo modern da go ahead and then start your day with Richoko no ne betia sabo emo nya day right in a Ghanaian way ye kan na me san dia dance dia ma se fisa bre ko the game park limited o madama o the game etia saba manfo e twachachai na boa ema nyama 18 to 2 ye edi am modern da se wokita tablet na se iPhone na se wote wo computer hono obetimi de ho atua san jim na fe ko app store no so na se play store no so no ahwe www.gamepark.com na fe onim penfo atua san dis also no star 946# na fe watimi san twa bi modern da 0 to 9 na watimi SND pa chale modern da se ebeti anya zika bi dia boy ata so si make some mula aniti so ega kudi cash 17 ne eka no nobody beats are all in Ghana aniti e di ho dan se da ma se Game Park Limited omhyehyɛ so nkom dia bayi so nko kra into di hujima ebetin abwa we game regulated by the National Lottery Authority na fe so nye persons under 18 years na fe so kwa no o bo game ya na de adwene kakra tian sa to nye sa chacha idiwa waso ebetin hye wani ebetin pulu so ebetin kra kokko ntia na de adwene kakra etia to we mu and sponsors na wo motachira boa ema yede nkomo so etmejaw ye chasem famfi a women's world cup enra matches ni between Santo Fem Argentina for trans Sweden twomaka bi no mantimi anti na fi South Africa ema world cup no no nyame ado be ne matches no Santo so Korea Republic beton said afa Germany no matches sakana fe Morocco and Colombia enso e be boss we a world cup markings ikese between Santo Fem team sampa ema no development world cup ni no chese e kosropa pre-season friendlies bin so 18 to dwa na Bayern Munich for etmech Liverpool twom 4-3 ana Arsenal ne AS Monaco ebo 1-1 ewo omoso pre-season wo eye ediera the next season APM pre-season friendlies be etmesa to dwa emu no but Mediama Sporting Club the reigning champions Ghana Premier League in 2023 epeja bonso ani gina so kunkun atim sampania ma ekoye de Mediama Sporting Club kopiem takwa na fe ko West Region ne share so de atim sampa Moses Amapaka ne Heroes Park omo edi omo time pa na sentem omo tie omo na chi kakra kopiem United States of America but enra ana Ghana mampanyi che kwenya beda ho se omo betimi essential na mpanyam pa ora Moses Park na fe so na yere mesa be PM enkrampuni mantama mo ne place bi eko PM mampanyini atan ni nyane senyame adoma wo mo san ko CAF Champions League na foma kwoti Ghana nim enti wo mo e disable so etime kwakire mampanyi enra se na hye ne se ko na ani kapa but be di kan ahwade anse ba na ye de Mediama Sporting Club fonso nkomo no atwaso Shasi Biondia na Shadosmam Mediama Sporting Club the reigning champions for Ghana Premier League 2023 affiliate in Savannah Vieno na Moses Amapaka ne Heroes Park enra the money 8 Sanchez Ghana Mampanyi na down kwaku fadu na time de ebu nso a mutimeji na ekwokyere Ghana Mampanyi sense wo mo ejidi pass bese na afata se ombetime esa sanhihye mu no wo mo ede mpanfo bia wo Mediama Sporting Club place bi gina musi akensi ana wo mo ne Mampanyi bo mpunipu enra na wo mo amansa pan team kuma ekoso ni bi
to assure you that whatever we can do to help in the continental engagements that you're going to be involved in this year, we'll do our best to assist, to make sure that you have a successful tilt. And then I understand that you are in fact being invited to be in Washington in the month of October for the Ghana Week. That you've been invited to go and play Washington, D.C. Football Club. Oh, wow. That's going to be a big... So I wish you the best of luck for that. But I'm sure that when the time gets near, the government people will also come in and make sure that things go well for you there. But thank you very much for coming. I'm honored by you coming to present this cup to me. And I want to congratulate the playing body once again for this historic achievement. You've done well. It's good for the Ghana football and for the league that there's diversity and the people who come through. We shouldn't have this. For years it was a duopoly in Ghana, Kotoko or Hearts. And then what Adriana broke through a bit. Yeah, but it's good. We have yet somebody else now.
Nti Ghana mapenanado down kwa kufuado de nra ohun se na media sporting club for crew ani city na afidani age power show mo boss nya me adoma support bi ombe hia betia sabo ma CAF Champions League no betia akoda mo hadi okwanso koso de ate Ghana nim no obetimi e de abom eno achi media sporting club for esane DC United for so ekọ e de akensi ba kwatia kwatentam so United States of America sa akensi no so ugidi pass support bi omu hia ene nya me betia sabo ma sa akensi kesen akososoro e de amom no obehwe na wadanadi e de amom ti we enkomo bi etense pie mutimi sampa na matan kunya wata kwane ne hye so mu na committee bomu a omde omani etense kire Ghana mampanyi atan na nra wo mu adiku an etense akọche no bo hye ne de bebre na anetimi SNP e honom yemra mu ewo the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana camp nso de a na coach Chris Hughton ono so ehwe nim se nyame adoma nyama betia koyie ede ama eye ne dwumadi a wodi no and into Western Lema Ezitiadia, they say or say or nim se kwabia so betia converse a Kalum hosting odoi and I feel so asna forward in a fair dinketia na samanti so etiasa joining the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana abeboa e ma edwumadi e dibiano yama akoye e dem Black Stars so Black Stars coach Chris Hughton na who say one abofo and central for etian sabu puni pu talk sports na for the komo etfen se jafa ne bota ne team po a o edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana yentin tom and club issues media instrataman for ko farmer so kunadu en kan Kuraza Warrior Stars former Black Stars player say omna meboa ma omdwumadi a ombedi afi 2023-2024 no yama enkoye enfamom e season mu na maso kunadu nso national team coach a abo assistant coach dwumadi no e Black Stars of Ghana che under 20 ene ne keka unyano papa yi etimi ekochi omopen na waka about national team coaches a omobo adwuma party say apart from the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana no all the other coaches ya na omoje national teams in kuma no anase ne wase no ya na omusika sem si etu omoka na ya na enyade ya ekoyi krade ya masanhyeche no obesre say Ghana football for paying for ebetia sponsors bi ebetia dam anam so na ometia tua esa coaches sika na betia boa omdwumadi omudi no omo etimi atumunchine.
We're not there, honestly speaking, like I say, Ghanaian coaches now munya hoko national teams no. For this, they all complain. Must be honest. They all complain about that. But as a country, we have to also look at it. As a FA, and as a Bano, Benya sponsor B, man, taking care of all the national team coaches from U15 to Black Galaxies. Technical team no yakena yetu yomoka say me dey $100 a month crown at least onimse bosume eso a obenya bibi kakra timi dey bia 1212 I know they complain a lot.
So ma fa doing as coaches association and I say as
maybe at the right time no no betu ho anamo maybe bia no kakra ntino yemme hombre kakra bi I think say they will work on it. Because a big cars, and run your high share ball, and be because so, Rony coach or Bana is number for Black Pens, and you are bomb match when you concede by Pokra or Dear, they say. And I'll beat him in charge. You're cantina. Oh boy, you must.
I won't. Then fire for pie and sharp.
Love it, Yana, Miss Risa. You see, Sana.
Inti Maswa Krodu and Strataman for almost a new coach Amako Father na waka say who be here say national teams no and the Blasters are seen na betia your coaches na your disappointment no emomo e kase be betia boa amato so aboy dwuma say Nora Hotel Bonifito Kita Black Queens no ono eja ke 20 na oya de no we ni nkoma wo so e de abeja but yenko e sinchi community e wo Esujaman district kwa kosumo ne hye so e wo Eastern region e ho ana sinchi fo e wo na National Youth Authority NYA4 oma the contract yama contractor waiting a construct AstroTurf and the people of Sinchi na afi almost etimi e afia sese omo e development e wa goodie na enra contractor no etimi nya sa contract na afi omo de soso bo fema omo e de ahoma aposo twa homam na e de tisajwe de kesina no e Sinchi Methodist School Park no na e di kampa
Sheni se contractors a wode contract jima wo mo enenimu ya obehase aye adwuma e wo AstroTurf National Youth Authority Asia Momamfo wo Sojaman e wo poye mantemu no ase Ghana City opepe enum e na National Youth Authority chemu a wode ACSA AstroTurf na beboa pa ma agukansie hu nsem akonkan e wo mansini no emu na nanom ne mpanimfo e da National Youth Authority ano a panimpa Pius enam hagide edi wanimu e na ekokotwa ahomemu adwumadie no e hyase Ebra utwa ahomemu wieye ena penimpa woda National Youth Authority no ano edison semi etu
ebi ense den ni ho o maso afre akire National Youth Authority yesu yasomu ye hye omubo se ena ye di aso abofami ye ma omu 4 months pe ye de be adwuma bebe wieye na facility na wie na ya dan e de amanfo a ye wo Esujaman nyina na ye yusu
enwechi okade to aso se we eka asoye awodo a National Youth Authority no ebeye ewo o my Ghana mu e de abo ama agokansie akoso
facility no yan ye dia enti ye mbo hu ban na ye di bebre bebe ka ho mpa ya ye bo no se otwedi ampo nankasa beton siopa agu ye da ye so na ebemu a bebre beba abeka ho
oni nyina mu no akwamu asebu hene a wono nso ye senchi adonten hene na najan oduro da pa e de sansem we etudwa
Inti nese oko Sinchi Methodist School Park enra omo etimi e de apaso twa homam ebi eye omo AstroTurf omo be hyase esina no ahwemene sina hye ne titie dia na sina no matankonya nkokora ne mene wo Sinchi na afi maba wane eye manante wo Sinchi nkola ne mpanyimfo nyina obi akotwa hye a hori nyina se AstroTurf ebeba Sinchi na boa Esujaman ene ne hye so ne apimantem so oma goodie ne development enso etimi asato wesu na mijina na mede enenso nkoma mede ejawo ewa wo kensim ne esihye no so mam se Game Park Limited se mula no ebetimi asama power bomodi ada so de betimi asa gym na live draw ana de bia ba so ewa Adom TV 9 am 12 noon and after so 6 p.m. biano the bia etimi esanto femtimi so bomodi ada so betimi pick your phone tablet na so computer no download Game Park games na app no e Play Store no so na fodo ho etimi asa gym on website no so www.gameparkgames.com na afi also wetimi esenya hihye no *946# and also all networks on sabetimi asa come na afi oni medins also uchusu 4 numbers from 0 to 9 na afi wetimi play easy to play and easy to win enti fa ho gym modern ada say obetimi play this game now we make some mula and as a cash goodie and as a ega and you can want no nobody beats are all in Ghana and it's Game Park from paying for say young country be as on fan gym now as game we regulated by the National Lottery Authority and I feel so and for persons under 18 years oh it modern do what game ma na o de adwene kakra etian saton afi richoku and so they share some questions about person spicy we no na o start we dey right there richoku but modern da some sabeti I can richoku Ghana kuku papa and dey richoku Ghana's finest ana ye dey eja we nti but modern ba bia we breakfast bia no ma na nya richoku ana afi so kwa udibia na say we shopping ba bia nso a on sanka richoku no na enjoy be more energy na anoreshow na more vitality a betimi e dey twa dey no affordable bo na da fempa afi won ketwa ana afi wa dentem ana afi no obolo enso how set be kebia ebetia about richoku no you have customized everyday nourishment but more than that some sabetia sanka be in a Ghanaian way na boa emaniama atoye dia ma richoku madama ana yede na no penso we can see we sempa esa kan etimi jawo within the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo wala sa gudi catch back up and Gina, of course evidence based presentation etimi jawo I didn't any ma onyo kesi if be da so ni emfa nko be da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye
mawo ansana hosepe abanafe jumadi aka etwato so e wo bedwam so no ye de aka ho ne ye health tip no ye free ma me anam kan say de my menstrual hygiene ambassador de na say ye bedi ho nkomo kakra say de oba wo bu nsa behwe no wasiesie wo ho na bibia ye kama sanse nsabuo ni wo no say bibia nkoyi a anhwe yi na wodache aye bibia wo ho me ka say ahosiesie na nyina brand etimi kura atwa wawo so oba enu nti na say breso say ya na ya cheche kakra na afa ye nhwe ene ama akoma nsia wo say wo ye so yo oba na wo bu nsa de di nkan no e wo say wo hu ade a wo pese wo de siesie wo ho de bia me ka say enka no a na ye tete ntomago na ye wi a na ye si na ye chimu na ye hata no na ya san de abɔ no saa moase no saa bre no atwam enti akade ahodo api ho no me na ye de siesie wo ho obi pepe so be use sanitary napkins eno ne pad ahodo ye ya na ye use obi nso ho no pe tampon na ye wo menstrual cup enso ho tampon no e ya de kuma bi wo pia hye wase ahomaka ho bre no so na ho ne sa sokia no aye se de apia bonte no no akoyi na de foforo hye ho menstrual cup no so wo mo ye ne se enka ne fanela ye di bu anwa na se crazy ni bi na emom wakata to enti upia hye wase se oba eye ma wa wo bete na eye nylon enti nya de e be kan wo nya rubber dindindin bia enti eye ma na wayi na wahwe afrim na wahohuru madimuni ansa na abesa de adwudwuma na wo de adwudwuma afi no se ye pad na wo use a medofo tampon no na ye de ato ho no no sei de tie aha nti wo di pia de wura ho no mo a eye ma wa wote wa be hu se epie ba eno abekire be body padua no nka ye se medofo aye ma nti koyi na fa foforo e hye ho no na wo hwe ene wo menstrual cup nso ho se de ka no pia hye ho no mo a na so eye ma eno abekire so aye ma no wayi ahwie ade no aso ne ye no agu no ahohuru mu kama mesrew eye adimu ni afi kwa na mesrew se ye pad na wo use a hunu se aha mom say matter ma ene ye director ye kan de so mu yi aba sei na menstrual cup no so etie se sanitary pad na wo use a mesrew e bra no eye asesa sa ye mabro so anase kakra bi ne wom obetimi da so no ohunu se ketu abi no was oh we de e bi se da nimu sa no sa de abo apia bonte mesrew enu nti na ene mpanifo ka so behwe no wayi tu afiri se be ya bra no ache kra anka don wore nan konum so no na wasesa no abo hofro se be ya wa hone die no ebetumi agina brane afa mesrew ubu nsa se oba there is no excuse se obeda bra wunware ana abesori apia bonte abra wunware ye ma adwade no enka ho ebe ye kra no a se ye ebe adwuma ho mache se wuduru fie be no miensa na di kan kra adwade ansa na nwumre no nwotwe de no wase adware esai won sa wubu nti na aboa ama wanamonto na awutu no akoye no ahone die ho nsem akokama afa wubu nsa se oba na osiesie wo ho a anda we no aye hye no ebia wo bi a eye elastic twan mesrew enye bra wubu nsa na akosie twan yamframa mfamu hyede ye kote na mframa betumi afam na amanka anyina wase afi bi won wuranda we no ti se de fa wo so no eye ande hadwen nti bonya ne sa afei mesrew so na bra na be so mo abu nsa publistic na yi wase ma me wate dwiri nyina free ho no se be ya bibia nkogina menka emma wase wei any tips kakra me de ma wo se wubu nsa no wahwe no wadi so na ma wo de die ho nsem no egira brane ye nto ade mrata oye ba ahose pebeto aso ne yo hwese de yesresre wa haya obi nkyire ne se ne ye di nkomo a ne ye de aba na ansa na no ye free ne gina say as well safe as your exit point ti kon fa so wura me nkoye ma wa mesre onyam na meka no mo na eka wo se kasa we online no na ahose person nti ye nko ye nua ba eye nana ama Mac Brown na say na wo se Mac Brown na say na nsem bi de na omanfo akeka voice note bi ba abonte na oh ono kwa ne kunu bono piano free staircase so onse na say na nsa da yi mu be man de piano no obubu fa so da nsa de mu kan na eye nsem bebre oh voice note ye nyina etie bia na etwagu oh ene blogger si omo blogger say ya na ye nua be won so ye onua show time onua TV so no tena se we ye interview no ase oh kana de omanfo akasa oh manfo akeka so no kra no ne kru max wo bodo no no hwe no a marija tete se wo no ma ground no wo sha ase some years ago no otimi twi trailer free hade ko Burkina be ma be na betumi abo no enye ni fie ada you know the fear face onu ni fie no on be man timi fa ne sanka no there be ensi it won't happen on tolerate on the no women activism no o giram dendende no oba we no marija ta ya bodo man ye there be ma mi se enye no krenti wote sasam na wasrada na wabato agusan so no se de wote de be me bia ni asasi so a obetimi atena ne nsa se wo bo no background ana se nka mu mieri na kombewu kura ene de obi se gone too soon kura it is ansem ni nyina no se Ghana for tia omomo ntungu sanse no kura bia eni sa ensem ni mu yankwa Wendy Shea ho Wendy Shea don so no tore bi na sankrofo akwa ni interview aminim se ya no de abufuo ni firifie na ebawo se obedu wo soro manfo agba anye ne so aya na amane buafuo se de mo beka ya some years back ne eye memizi sa bisa se questions hunu be no obusa no no ene so sa nkomo twetwe sa minim se joy ya so ne ye wasem wo se de ba wose ade nti no manfo dodo na ade no toto jackie ho wate ase enye ye no wate ase wa ma ye hit back to back sa 5 years hit nko a o ma ye pole bia hit nko a 5 years now o ma hit back to back 5 years na ye dey my mind dey for you one hit sa for 3 years be compare no dey o say unnecessary say be previous nyansa bi anim ehu hia enti no sa comparison na be ya Ghana for mo fanto nche.
We are all shining, and that is what I love about what is going on right now in the industry. It's not like, gone are the days where it was just one female artist shining or just two male artists shining. But right now, the sky is so big to contain so many stars. And like I said, everyone is shining. We are all making our money. I mean, yeah. So it's not fair to, compare someone. I mean, I've been doing and giving hits back to back for 5 years.
Yeah.
So there shouldn't be any comparison.
Do you feel a bit of pressure that some of your colleagues are going ahead of you, getting all the international recognition, and you're still, like people insinuate, you're still not getting that high like the others?
I am, like I said, Survivor really opened doors for me.
It did?
So, yes, I am an international artist as well, and I am working towards it to become a global artist.
Yeah.
It's like they say that the race is not for the swift.
Mm-hmm.
Once you're working hard and working on yourself, you are going to get wherever you put your mind to.
International artists no yenya two. International artists no yenya two. Bako secular, bako gospel. So omunyine weke na omaba be global artist. So yeah, when they say so Eddie no na every one of them yenko Stone Boy ho. Stone Boy nnwumtini wo mayi mu a watna say na wode nsem atodwa ne nsem mira ne say ya na nkofo bi keka say Nigeria for music industry no ekọ animu blow chese dombeye bia no na aye kakraka matre bia ma ahodo bi se Ghana kra no bo se Nigeria nom na agibe bia no chese enema bi wo no ma Nigeria for ya Ghana for ya kakra bia na yabre ye no consistency opem ba ko pem mienu na pro na mie pe no relax bloggers da no si ne ho ba ko mienu pe na wate ada afi kwa no so kwa Nigeria o mine so enyo ma ekuma o no mo state ba akokora no di agora ye ne Ghana gina ye o mine so na hwe sede o modi ahokeka ne wodo wa nim se ye nua latafo ba ko ye na ekoye nko do mu nyina edo mu do beta na tintie no ne ade a Ghana music industry ne elake asa obi agina nkora o se yete se ekwaye no wo akire bom na mbom wura ma hu se dua bia ni sibre eka ho bi na ma industry ne bre enti ye de toto Nigeria ho de na wo se ye hwe na Nigeria de o mo ye ma ne koyi no ye Ghana so ye sua ne sa.
You see, I don't want to cause no chaos, but when you come to the whole of Africa, right, Nigeria pushes the most, and you can find Nigerians being very popular around the African continent in different countries, but you might not find other African artists as popular as Nigerians are in Nigeria.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I want to keep that there. and I don't want to go into that line.
Okay.
So the thing is that I've been calling out all the people like, yo, let's roll. Know your artist. If you're Ghanaian, make sure your Ghanaian artist is the ultimate priority, because of course, from the blueprint, a Nigerian's top priority is a Nigerian artist.
Yeah.
So that is the way we can all emulate to be able to keep doing some of the things that, you know, they've been doing. Of course, their number is like 350 million population.
Yeah.
Therefore, you know, they have the power, the number force, as well as they do have the attitude, the innate, the business mindedness. You know what I'm saying? Like all other positive,
progressive minded,
all other positive attributes that make them who they are. You know what I mean? That doesn't mean other Africans don't come out to those venues. That doesn't mean Jamaicans don't pop out to those venues. So basically, it's I think it's a grind, one day at a time.
Na Stoneboy and Sama were day atuja eno nti wasesi pese Ghana music industry no ekona ni mu a yenhwe yempushi ye ho oho na nyefe na nyese de Nigeria for ya no wo moye ema no eyefe na busia mede ahosepe no AC, but before that, a big shout out to Mickey Darling, the Intraman FM, a word dunkwa on a fin. Also, Shemiano Peda says, and Boncomau, and Yakupon Shamone, Ejumapa, Moye. I was a person here now, yan share every promo so bad this, you know, ye de bed bro, na fe bibia, aye, kama, but answer no, ye na your home rasisi, I'm not sure Benny.
Tend, they love you. Some will eat and drink with you, but behind you, near chuki. And I'm watching and wakwaba. Uguso Badwam on Adom TV. Asemi di kabre and asumidi de akwasi insia. And sembi koso. Ya sebi se. Ya mpusu anka mampanfo amfa ne ya wose yele to anto ne to a ebeyo how kese de ama oman Ghana enyum no enye obi anyum ye ne pese ye bosa anyum no ene ya bo because whether na ewo honom no e call for sa anyum no ame fa nko website amenchiro story bu untumi TV online. Na de hwa de bi ehwo me sabe de wakọ Ghana News Agency na akọ hwa de so ehwo match story a na no pebe kan wasem. Over the last few months assemble ko obia edi hu komo bi eye common fund ni nyina se ye release a en release eba so a kuma bi e na eba. And yakase adia ba ko betimi ama Ghana afa ne tumapa e de fra ne enkronkoma mumpuntuo. And that was one of the bases and namsu ma aban ko fa one district one factory e de be say anya hwekwa mensini biemu yenya mfidiyuma ba ko no betimi create nyuma e de ma manfo localizing our economy. But never be koso. And never be a koswa. It is hard times. Yeman penfo I will say, baby, omodi adede kika de kono. What Ghana and kan kone Ghana yo. Mami Arenato she ado administrator the common fund. Chiao. Ura Daniel Kwakuboche, Minister for Local Government, Rural Development, and Decentralization. But chiao na no pay. Sounds no pay Collins in team. Deputy Minister, to one of the Kwakuboche, Osumechiao. Assembly members, MMDCs, yeah, what Ghana, and raise concerns, beer. I also at the side time, say President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo will pay attention to it. Just story way. Now to she collapsing local government. MMDCs throw support behind Amboche and Yamini issue no. Their support to Amboche and Yamasem. Now the story nakasa imputakasaniye. The speed at which development at our local and our district, no, and that's so empty and crime. And can I decide the kind of development that young family various district and crime.
Ekana ajetuma, ye deciding the kind of development. You say ko asante mampong. Eko asin. Eko menshia, eko nshaya so. Eko amansie. Ene mia odro. Why should it be so? Let me tell you this. Before President Adom Akufo-Addo taking over as president and commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces on 7 January 2017, the previous John Mahama-led NDC government no more one outstanding common fund. Last got Thomas Obuchia. And in fact, MMDC is taking over and another Akufo-Addo receiving, sir, last rank, about as high as 800,000 Ghana cedis as common fund for the last quarter for John Mahama administration. What did he say? A free son another than Akufo-Addo taking office from 2017. Everything now you can say no assembly and when your common fund amounted to even 800,000 Ghana cedis and could do also 500,000. The highest so far, as high as 303,000 Ghana cedis. It is say we are abanem sini e wo mansini mu a wo ane atoma see ye ba be si toilet ye ba be si market ye ba be ye we and it's being defined by the common fund administrator. Why should it be so? When President Akufo-Addo I'm for Ghana News Agency. Now make sure the President Adom Akufo-Addo care about decentralization. But don't call Ghana News Agency. Okay? It's what the man penny akaso. What he himself is saying about decentralization. Kuya betinya faso ama empumtuo akwa yenkro enkumemu akasa. Famia. Ghana News Agency. It's a man penny akasa himself. I believe he say, yema decentralization and yajuma. Why do we continue to centralize our development? Now I'm Kosro. Okay, I'm for you. Shadia. This was last year, October 31. President Akufo-Addo encourages decentralization of postgraduate medical education in West Africa. Our president is preaching for West Africa, decentralizing even postgraduate medical education. Postgraduate medical education. Our president is preaching for decentralization for the whole of West Africa. Say postgraduate medical education. A form wakasa. So, Mr. President, why do we allow administrator of the common fund to sit in crime and decide what kind of development or say a call to a certain district? One, you are not even engaging the MMDCs themselves. The last distribution, common fund administrator, was we decide. Koche we decide the various district. The papa. We didn't say mayor you one crime. Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly mayor only say money be. Na mbesa what the kwede. And crime mayor or we decide ne kwa kwede. When se be as a who engage may you know one kind na e ko bet your idea present issue ya wonya yes no cre say the new common fund act amount to me say we say some discretion be e was certain yema be so but at least engage mami engage who engage ya wungu who engage ya bibia nyaw emu won fe so nte udi na to hye no ensesa engage. Why are you not engaging the MMDCs? You have always a project, so. And on an average, we are paying common fund about 250,000 Ghana cedis per quarter to every MMDC. But it will cook 4 million Ghana cedis worth contract every kind across the district. Why? When our president enya kwanya wo ka kire ebibrema toye manpanifo nyina say yema decentralization enya adwuma ye was in his own backyard. Centralization enya adwuma. Mr. President, we enya busuane namfo asemo Your MMDCs are complaining. Your MMDCs, they are complaining. And 6 unit classroom block. And I'm better from 1.5 million to about 1.8 million Ghana cedis. It's a common fancy cano. And you're starting now. You're 250,000 Ghana cedis. And the assembly say, "Oh, Fanyajuma, we're bringing hypocrisy and non quack. It means classroom block." But your starches cannot do Nakasa and your quack good the reserve fund. Now, the common for administrator no, and they decided new says cano ebeye. Messia no cre emranma ho kwan the new act no ema ho kwa so be sad. But ask yourself say, me na wo di ade ne brem no, what be some say eno ne ade me hia na. The first will be to come down so you pay we decide. And just obi o think kind and so here we decide. Mommy, ye mu oban ne sa. Oman no ye mu ne sa. Ade ye Ghana sa. Why? The man penny near Ecosi, Obetimi and Kodo, Assage now for 4 and penny for my catcher, Akasas will be our trouble. If under President Anado Dan Kokufado said decentralization or no preaching, no, and Yajuma on your opportunity to make yourself preaching the same decentralization, and they are telling the other colleagues are now. Why are you making the work so difficult? And assemblies are bleeding. The assemblies are bleeding. And the school dance crapper and this assembly benjeska and the aquacoboso. Otuania diaba. For example, yes, a two borehole. Yes, they are common fund administrator. See, you may two borehole. Contractor aba obiai ready. Obabetu. Nipa na obabehwe aduma so. I never sit in a district no. Oni say wom. Ya engaging say uhia borehole anase uhia borehole. Every district be yarding you here in Prempre. It can't continue like that. Debbie, it can't continue like that. Even the president now, to me, in Adia Sana, what penny be the man, or he consult. He consult. Or no one Ghana to me, do not shed and say credit, say no. He even consult. How much more will not to see what punning to me be at the amount? The only thing about me, you could find free power. Every friend of mine has a cool. Now, not to see one message, one letter from the office of president. About me, you would consult, engage the MMDCs, engage the assemblies. No, near Omunia, and Tran Kramfa will pay and to be and Cocotomoso. And Yamamu engage them and no money come more. Shiamo first quarter year when we, third quarter when we, second quarter year when we, dear Pani Assembly, no, I didn't hear, dear CA. Let them tell you. Meaning is a make say, who personal interest will contract, Debbie, what you man away. But whatever it is, and Krambe your son country or make catch no, Kumasime your country or make catch no, they are not happy. They don't need the winning side. Or go good yeso. Makola aboso kana. And I compete with this idea guso. And on the coinfa. And as some point they call a kejetia. I come the phone. What the day? What the day? Yeah, emprempre ade asampan ehia eye kon betimi afa so makumase edini kon betimi afa so clear abobo yafo edom free the central business district of Kumasi. That is what is on his table. Why engaging no when na di komo ehunu ne eda omu table ne so and drink kokru too many fashion sem na to shi enye sa enye amamuo. And because you are one of the darling ladies of our president. So you decide to do anything, anyhow, that you want because Mampeni and Kariana. Ora Collins in team, Deputy Minister for Local Government. But whatever nipa ube kubiano, ubetwa so aba. Whatever. Because I know, say, who now lead this, we decide then. It be also as deputy local government minister. Did you even engage your assemblies, Anna? Assuming, so minister crying yet. Unaji na uti enimu. So beshe yempe we decide and famuamu and yache we decide across the 260 district. And ache and ademaomo. Besides, who engage you omo? As a deputy local government minister, in front of the assembly, and I think our parliament needs to sit on this Common Fund Administrator Act in the BM. Because anything in Kobase, assembly is no local government ministry. I say, and administrator no didn't baby. Okutan autonomy, and she or he decides what to do with assembly's fund. One assembly one more, and the minister for local government and your querino. I don't know how I'm not quite so cumbersome. It's a quick say by hook or crook. Or some minister no umpo when common fund administrator e father for Adam for nyina so. And yes, obet me sabotage. Because you can local governors and you local government minister. The first say you are the exchequer doesn't mean who extra control. And what assembly so? The members of parliament and take another look of the Common Fund Administrators Act. We know how to situate it. I said, no, finance minister say, Makoto text busy akwa school for Nkwada e was Santimampong. When Minister for Education any motion. Because Minister for Finance was security baby obetim the S harden. Ebe charge man na na assemba ya ba be education minister. Na central for education minister triso. As a test we credit come Santimampong edusua for kra no enye papa. E fa na ye adwuma sa. Ye mra no sinto wom. Mo hwe na mo nya ho adwuma. Really acquisition. And if I catch Thursday be a people's forum to medie in a twasso. But before that, Madam Huaba Enra and Attorney General at the crater Pia Bonting a church ma Mrs. Labnada Pa Nisika Iran Emu. Yeba now breaking down Sunday Alec up to Chief Jerry Forcing for the people's forum. Shall we? Here. But when you're watching BM and for Emra Badwam Jumedi so. On Adom TV. Unyabi actually live on DSTV channel 280. Also on a Go TV channel 119. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Thread, TikTok. Maybe I could be alive. With me, I share a follow ye. And so search for Adom TV. Now bet you follow me so Aquasinsia _official. Na afe yemfa semnim go na etimi ekeke because Adom season 3 I started. It can say kwesi the beer at 4 p.m. Obashe Adom TV. This time we are on regional basis. The 16 regions ni na obi ejinemu. Ya ye pam yanka se ukrom ntare. Ye wi na intertwining. Eti asante pam anwuna na anwuna pam esrim. Sa Adom season 3 dewu. Hwebi ne sua stars awodo a ye nuanom asua Adom mu. No mo de eye adwuma. Onso afi na onso oba adwuma sua bi. Kakra do o de ape onso game sa. Enti ka se kwese da bia at 4 p.m. on Adom TV. O messe Adom 1 bit impo. Not even for a second. But when they were so chirobi, no ntimi hwe bi na ye. So say the wias be bia kokko no. Se unni sa no adwuma wa se me mobo se. I'm telling you. So unni sa no adwuma na wa nyu se penia na be kurakura ene there be aka be di wanim. Adom City Estate. Ene Mr. Opedan at them. Na ye wankasa wo fia. Adom City for Adaroma and ansabetimi aka me. You see, as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis, you can own a house. as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis, you can own a house. Say a 2-bedroom, say a 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached, say a 3-bedroom executive detached from Adom City Estate, from the CA. You bet your corner bet me for so bit here, and how back say, Ubechi, you say, ah, it me pardon bet me 300,000 Ghana cedis, and they ato a fee. Nina modern more. Now me catch you say, and now we are you mumpo na so intimi service kay. Na da wunya adwuma yentua kai. Obey ketua bi eba onsem ya say 2 cedis in poa. Try so bet me say be 20 pesos. For chinase. Sevi nefa to fie. Na sebi wan kwaso antena obi fie da bia as a phrase 0308 250068 0308 250068. Mr. Wada, ye nyini, and I'll say a boy dash papa edit to them. And after this age of 60 years, Ghana abanso into me no nyaju say an kran krabi never for be ababe consultancy bia no. Why ye be aso anto akire say wa wieja. It is necessary country say entwen emasada no ento ansa na sabio wakoye tosum de ama obi. It amanfo ehu say o krukru o krakra ebape na obi ekwa akohye because na obi etim say oba besreska. Tibibi kakra fatoɔ sene be ya snit betimi ahwe wa kopin so bo ade beto ne sa e de afrɛ dial star 711 star 9 hash na twi snit contribution unyan so and register with snita we nye abosome adwafo nko wa ye ankwankwa adwuma nso betimi akɔ register na abosome so a ti kakra fa kɔtɔ me sene be at the age of 60 no o me sresrefo emfama ebusua snit and I'll be in a phrase 0302 611 622 0302 611 622 Naji H. The Mubia and walk Mubia. Yare ya amamani one say a free idea. Ni pass be one a free idea. Seven your best robots here a idea. They come for piwak 3P garlic mixture and the amount. Obi onim garlic be a catch or say ya dear do be a garlic to us here. And a garlic adornment team pen for Jomana so ye pa. Now said papa be a council at the age of 70 or so I am pem because originally baby of free bano num 3P garlic mixture boost your immune system. The immune system na na boabo ne pedwan ho ban e free yade ahodo emu eti yade bia no ADS yade bia wako ase entimi ento so unya 3P garlic mixture na no mu a e boa boost immune system no na ahoa eno aye den eti yade bia ba akekem no awoso no say tram yade no ate egu anesa wa bojamro so high blood pressure oba se bebu nsa bia beto nka ss message time aso eni kwa se yesa se bi nsebode se bi nsufin oje fi na efiri ni pedwe mako ama foforo aba na oba ma ye no eno ahode yem no akosra ye kese tini kwa se koye dede edema se yawdie ewo mu a onya 3P garlic mixture wa sugar level e wo sro obi was me say titi ubi say no say anansi nye please na chill stroke ene ke kamba no stroke no e bank akra sa na titi na say titi e yes ade chill nyina say baabi o se moja no etim edu no bibi a block one mu a moja no etimi ma baabi a titi no to nya 3P garlic mixture na boa asani entiri ni nyina mu ama moja etimi ade efrusane akọ baabi bia peso stroke fruit so a 3P garlic mixture emma enkodu one man sana akodi amia pebito ewo kumase okanshi ewo nkran Kofi Sam and afe Kingswalk sanso and akwas Danny Herba and afe Colinak ho Albert Sam Herba so kwa wansa beke bi ato takrade so AA Mensa obenya bi ato sunyane so ko Green Light Pharmacy bibia na frame 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 021 0201 000 021. Kaisa 3P garlic mixture. There be our glass bottle emu and the red cover. Ashahu enso. Etu to amo bi emfa so kwa and I know a change na the beer then kofa asem e bi emfa emeto emesroda wankasa so. Franco Trading Enterprise enye ye na phone papa na abadwa so obi etobie. Phone ya ne bo ewo phone be che e dia ma ye kama. Every Franco, Papa Franco, akache. Any free any ever. And say iPhone, say Samsung, say Nokia, and a person or for the Franco Trading Enterprise. Omakachi, omunkuwa na ton phone ya papa ne bo enso ewo fam. Say ye TV air conditioner pacha wo pa pe Franco air conditioner bi. Eno nkuwa de ma dem achele enso ebetwe kane ya ketua bi. Papa Franco. Papa Franco. Oro no. Ye poni di amansa nyina bom ase. Isa se nyina daro maka Ghana fo ebo katentriti bi e wo phone so ankanya de ketua. And the iPhones abai. E ko si iPhone 33,000 crap. Papa Franco ma papa ya ne bo for me so no. Omo ye phones no ni TV no. Omo ye wi ani afre Papa Franco ye wi o be fa wo di ansa na ya to bia mankayefo. To bi o to ade o Franco bie no wonu hu da. Sound system na wo pe. Gas cooker na wo pe. Rice cooker na wo pe. Dia na wo pe. Furniture Franco Trading Enterprise. Papa Franco na kache. Na omwa bibia ni afre 0246 422 338 ana 055 939 311 bacho kai enko gogo emfa Franco number hoda gogo no krofobi unse adepa bi e ba na amafo person de bonyono e bata ho ne be sa adepa no enye sa de ni bi da number am de amba eno kwal number so benya Franco Trading Enterprise Papa Franco nankasa phone line no Papa Franco nice gentleman tinani buade finako mu 7 amafo beto ade on nchen and free Franco kra e ba usa kra san wo yade because the serious na say free one maba me say free 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 Dominion Herbal ensu enie Dominion Herbal powder we eni se tea you hear ensu hie na de agum na akono odemu anesa unya bisa ahodin se twam eyade e de afru so to bi onum Dominion Herbal bia gitum sampa onwan wanum powder papa fanso se kakra de efagum na de num anopa bia num sa oyare ase atuan Dominion Herbal ointment so misro da wapo no aposo ye oya na so pibi e de adwodwo ano a Dominion Herbal ointment 0543 158 195 0543 158 195 and 0249 591 843 0249 591 843 at the phone for the Angel and Clary Park Ventures Nana Boach Herbal na for Angels Herbal Shop Ashama so Equus Pharmacy Tema Little George Herbal Shop Health Shop Kofoya so Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy or Hinana Herbal or Wisco Beef Pharmacy and Central Market no edi and which assumes so called Tony K Pharmacy Achimoda so Nana ya provision store for Kennedy Drugstore so many be ewo na Giza Pharmacy not for persons below the age of 12 and pregnant and nursing mothers. Dominion Herbal powder for your well-being. Semino can say Chief Jerry Forcing. Aya crowdo ewo ada unse festival kese no ebaso na Adom TV amamre so de ye de gisa amamre no antwangu ye de be bro amon se ne amamre ne amane ye adwuma e Ghana de fa. Semino can say Chief Jerry Forcing akwa kopiem awada ye ne amanfo wo ada ba di enko especially edwa ye adwarifo betrem de dwakromu ni bi akwan so basa e hon komo na pa Chief Jerry Forcing amanfo wada etras na omodi ewo the peoples from Jubilees but catch us ye wada bia ye Adom 106.3 FM and e kan tuma e pama no ni atiesim want to say the microphone abro say Adom TV Adom FM ni jene kan wasem e kire mampani na wonti was some no ka say Chief Jerry Forcing high crowd Jerry say why a crowd wa eh baby on hofe twagum di ngru di na ekoso de na manfo e kare a kire
106.3 FM. Yamo bibia chen amo bibia akwaba. Ene ye yawada na yawada drew say the People's Forum. Ena ye de brew radio so the Chief Jerry Forcing. Ene that's wrong. It's as the People's Forum. Ye de brew ewo miemie bia or how be ewo. But it's a special day today. We bisa say hefa ena ye wo sisi ye wo big Adan ewo Dangbe Adan East district in the Adan constituency. Aha, and you did the People's Forum, this year, you did Edward Wibs and then the air cost aha. Asafu Tusiami, a fashion air cost aha. Na enuti yaba eni oman for more aha no ba bedi afahye no na fe yafa so ede the People's Forum dwumadie ede abrɛ dwumadie ene nam so eni oman for twetwe nkomo ehu ohawa hodo a omo fm wo beka ya last week na ye wo new botia no ekohwe wo makwan ho nsɛm ne ade ene ye wo big ada ene de dwumadie edi fia ye de abrɛ it's a full house here production team no ewa ha no ma ye hwɛ na fe ye de sajumadi ye de abrewo brono a ye gina so I'm told say lenobinya na lenobinya no efadua ya esi mensa nifa so yi eno ho abakwasem mini abema bi wa ha no be ka kyerɛn na fe ye wi a ye ne omanfo no atwetwe enkomo ada eye bia ha no efe pa omanfo no wa ha no so omanim te kama very welcoming people dwumadie potem ye ne ha eye nsusu adwuma enra me camera guy Nathaniel ekotena nsuo na no ekohwe ne okoso ho no ma senia wo mo eye adode ne ho adwuma yi adode na wo mo eye ho adwuma tilapia ne 1000 ne ade nyina ne ekohwe later on yaba Adom abamre yade nyina ebema ewo TV so na fei o radio eso omanfo no wa hanom asafutu fia me asfase na ganza de ahyase ene dwumadi ahodo bebre ho no ma yede ebebrewo eti esanse eye dɔhwere ba konti enche bia ne omanfo no ebetwetwe enkomo emu hye ne so ma me se afase duru se ya enya hoho nko an omo bakurom enya omanfo nko an omo bakurom ahoho bebre enti ohwe kwan nchen a amanfo bebre aba womo edidwa womo ton tade womo ton ema hunwi hairdressers womo nuanuane indomie banku ne tilapia ne nuane ahodo nyina efi kwan ho a ede ekọ anim ho no ha no ho so womo ho enti amakroma yehye we are told say anwumre die kromba yehye pa na fi ochina kone say build up edeko mehye nkomo no ase mini abemen ewa ha mene no ebetwetwe nkomo but answer na no Mijite, you betray one bar. Yaba, Yafi Ashenkomono, ase, ewo Adom TV so, bedase. Omo Edorson, I see a chema down for Hong Kong, baby 8 to 10. Opening Adom TV Sunia Makwaba.
Thank you.
Ibiabo,
yeah.
Yamiasi. Over Katrika Kama, Udin.
Oscar Sabuti, Honorable Oscar Sabuti.
Okay. Electoral area, bang.
Alata electoral
area.
Yes.
And no
Lelebinya side.
Okay.
Bigger than.
Okay. All right. Enti yansha as the assemblyman, me say what challenges and our issues bakum you know we be say on here be kan ho asem yenti.
And we have so many challenges that if we are saying we cannot finish yet because sanitation and some of the issue that school drop-off, school children and whatever it is. So we need the money to support everything. So right now it's only money.
Okay, yeah, fancy mako sanitation no or how ben na move face wa.
Because the water is not flowing in the taps. Sometimes the electricity, the water will go off, so we cannot get the water.
But more pipelines were and so famu.
The pipeline, the rubber that is in the pipeline, they are not big, so they are small. So the water it didn't flow frequently.
Okay.
So we are managing.
Okay, so you are managing. How are you managing?
We are managing is I think the water is not every day. There's no water in the pipeline. So sometimes the water will come, sometimes the water will not come. We are going to the river side. We have river bank there. So we are going to the river side.
Yeah. Is that the case?
Yes, this is the case.
Okay. Aside the water issue ben now.
Oh, I think the security too. We have problem with the security challenges.
Okay.
We have problem with the security challenges because now we will see some guys there be some people their money whatever they are be stealing. So this is what is going on.
Okay. Any other issue be a person? We assemblyman and you have a platform. Etikasa, we expect you to speak.
We have a platform and we have been talking about some of our challenges here because now in my area we don't have the facility, the toilets. So it's just by the grace of it now that MP is doing some of the toilet for us, but there's no toilet here. It's the old toilet that we are using right now.
Muni toilet ever ha. How many sitters are you using here?
It's only 6 sitters.
Wow.
It's only 6.
Okay. And assembly ni aware.
Yes, they are well.
Assembly ni aware.
Yeah, they are well.
And then omo yafa ho.
And they are trying to be another one, but they didn't finish 2.
That when I'm starting another one.
Oh, it's almost 4 years now. They start that one, but they didn't finish.
Okay, Assemblyman, Madam was say, now say, Yanante, Yatutu so, the Aquaminia Bay Waha, Minia Bay Waha, Menene Becca Sanafi, Yatuaso, you're saying
Felicity Freeman.
Felicity Freeman. A Chrome Hayana of your Mofa, Mamma and Bo Hamame. Aha. Okay, Felicity, Chrome Hayana.
Badwam.
Okay, Yentio, how Ben Namufa, Asafutusha in the first place, festival no saying.
Oh, okay. It's a very big festival. The whole Ghana, this is the most favorite festival in the whole world. Like, it's the biggest in the country. Yes.
Okay. Ufi Chrome Hay, Mijid Sebia, or how about Kumino, Webber Sebia Becca Hansem.
Yeah, but it's about the road network. But for the past 7 years that NPP has been in power, I think for the past 8 years, the NDC have started something. So for the past 7 years, nothing has been done. So I think the coming back of NDC, I think things will be done right.
I'm trying to say politics. Answer na MPP bebano, and then NDC yeah. Because before MPP came, Sakwana Oka Wasem no, Mefaso. That is saying.
No, they started it.
When they started
NDC.
Before MPP, Mr. Kwan Mefaso, not to send it here now.
It's not true, It's not true. It's half done before we left far. So now I think when we come back again, we'll do it again. Yeah.
Okay, me that's it. I'm not catching saying on them by politics. And to me, baby, all corner pa. And to Lucas, you're running saying nothing. You're fair and treha. You were big ada Asafutufiami festival. And they did the people's forum this year. Yeah, they war. In fact, Ocean Dipa a walk chroma. The person say a back room kakraka. A whole and a dorsal. A mama bamba business in Amkano. Wama Mutoni and any idea ewaha. Dokono I ready. And your mom will Juma who do any idea. My name Casana Fiancha Senia, a jadi no cry air corner. Many baby come with me. Na fe meneno and Casa. Sweetie, at the saying. You're frozen. Fatty?
Yes.
You been able to go pay.
Every time fried rice, Kelly will any jollof.
Fried rice, Kelly will. Mobile so far, saying.
It's good. The environment is very conducive, and me too. This is my first time coming.
Jeno.
Yeah. This is my first time coming here, so we are coming to start. We leave here on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We wish you all the best. Why? Walk away home, won't you? And the Jenny in a ram hunima. Me went no. So you better trust na fe. Ya kwa enemy any man for akasa. You do any on my own penny for almost so train ya. Ya ni omo ebekasa na fe. Yesua ade kakra. Abakosem kakra na fe. Ye hunu nia eko. Ma menimi nia bemen enkasa na fe. Moi. Office in your
David sister.
Sister office. Okay. Fine. Okay. Kroma haya na ofi.
Mi wo Kroma do say.
Okay. Yanhwe how be na mo famu ewo ha. Kasa.
Ozi.
Me say how ben na mo fam so ba.
Mi Asafotu festival, yeah, fine.
Chini na me de how no. Chi kasa. Okay, me dance papa. Ma me ne ye hu ne ko ante sen. Office ni on. Then out on her. Provisions. Okay. Asafotu fiam festival no ekosen.
Oh, ekoye.
Asa wo ye dwadini ewo adan ha o how ben na mo fa mu adwadie mu ani krom hankasankasa etesen
sesia omunya to adimaye dise du amemre bi se na eko kakra any secondary so light bill no di maye wa hanu Super.
A man na 3,400 for shop kitwe.
For me shop kitwe.
And then I'll use na.
Oh, freezer one, any light no. Pe.
That's a busumi be 1,000 cedis so.
But first no, etisa. Sesiana or the mayesa. Enti mi anu enti mi ko office no e ko bisa omu. E no si sa na e baye. Mi fie no so abrewa mienu bi na wo fie. 2,500. Onu so mi papa di call office no o si sa enti hwi ni na obeye wo hu. Enti de ha wo ye ani.
E ade a ma complain a chere ECG.
Last time Monday no na me ko no me hu say ekrofo wo ho bebre na omusu complain wo bill mu.
Okay. All right. Madam Asinto no so ne how eno no. Say bills, electricity bills are omutua ne ha no. E wo soro pa o hwe ne shop ketu ayi a o se freezer ne nkane anko an oyusu aha. Enti ye kwa ne be hwe omo so omo wo sa challenge no na ye ne omo atwetwe enkomo. Enti ye nkwa yanim na ye hwe saying
Bako.
You're from saying? Okay. Festival na kwasa asaf tu fiami. So far.
Wanga no nyama jan.
Ekoye.
Mahin.
Okay. How be na mo fam ewo adan ha?
Problem la ba o.
Poso pa.
Nya ye no. Nya tra ma mo ha wo we.
Okay. All right. Okay, madam I say, I'm say adano ene yebesua kwa bia so. Esan say adom amamre won afian ye oba bia won afian no kwa na sisi amete. Ma me ne omanfo binum so entwehwe nkomo. Antebra, bra na me no nkasa, bra. Omo aha yentwa kwan nim na fe. Ye ne no entwehwe. Ante de saying?
I'm Adom.
Your friend saying?
But your friend Mabel.
Okay. Then I'll turn hey.
Ye tom banku tilapia, ye tom jollof, plain rice, bibi.
Okay. Oh no, ye ho oh.
Pacha debi.
Me ba me no be kasa why. Me ba. So far as saying.
Wo kro mo to ade nyama akoso te na etenti. Nkrofo bebre mbra this year dey be special pa.
All right, me that's it. Me ma me no say ekoye no omra na me ne nkasa. Auntie bra. At the saying?
You're from Gladys. I go
from higher now.
That be Miss Fiana for.
Be Dijawa. At the saying, a question.
Sika ni ona so ye wo mu boko. Nyame adom na ekoye. Ekoye ye kro ma fi ekoye. Problem bi ani ho. Ye ko nu boko.
All right. Me that's it pa. No. Then I paid the hand my din kakra. As at enra nyumre kra no na aha quite busy as nyumre no amanfo almost search almost sports ne ade nyina no. Free ada big ada na ye de ebre wo. Ahoho no de wo mo wo kroma fine. Ante o hwe me TV ni so ana bra na me no nkasa bra. Obi wo ha o hwe wo TV.
Aye.
My monso TV no monso festival na ko saying.
Koye ocha aha be butubutu unya kwanpo
emfa from here na ofi.
I me fra ba me ti ashama.
Okay. How be na mo famu ewo ha?
Oh, adaha say no dear. Sa se no mbe ya ombe boa youth no mu a mbe nya ejuma aye. So mbe bibi papa wa ha ma omu a mbetimi aye adwuma obekọ aba wa no se ne be omu so mbe nya bibi omu sa bekọ omu ano.
Okay. All right. Me that's papa. Enti wo mo hwe TV no so ho. Enti e ba nsa bo so mapia ni pakra wo kasa baby aye kwa kwatena se na fe ye ne omanfo e wo honom atwetwe enkomo asafutu fiame afahye no pay the People's Forum. I am a man for Akwenya na afi Ohawa. Say one more krom ha, one more FM already. What the issue of market? Eja ebi any krom ha, and afi Akwanya a free main junction honum kase adeba big adan krom ha. Akwana enra mianga sami faso. Akwanya no enye. Unse ya kwane half, and aka half no de. Ya asphalt overlay no. Kama a half no so etutu. Etina ni ame so mi hu wo kwan no ho eno no. Ye na adwadifo ni bi entwetwe nkomo we oblayo ana so ekwe egbe mi ni nyina bi wa ha bra. Ye fro sen Sandra ufi krom ha
Pachai.
Ufi krom ha?
Yes.
Okay.
It's doing good. It's going yeah, it's going good.
And how's market going?
Good.
Then I will turn in the first place.
Porridge.
White
porridge.
White porridge.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sandra, that's why. And easy. So because of TV, so and to we hard the mic no etwa no ha na ojane. And say because so yakwa yanim na afi yani omanfo atwetwe nkomo. Opening bra. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your first saying.
David Mensa.
If you come here.
That is pizza. That is pizza.
So far.
Oh, we came here just yesterday, and so far we decided to check about see how the environment is, the views and stuff. How are you interested? This is my first time being here. So be Kruma and see how these things will be. It is see that very interesting. We are looking forward to see something successful over here.
Okay. All right. Esther, what you saying?
Pacho yo.
Okay. Ufi Kruma.
Pacho Davi.
Now be there.
Sama na mi ba mbeto aduane wa.
Aduane ben.
Fried rice.
So far, you saying?
Oh, bibia akoye. Yes, but bigger.
Okay. All right. I can say. Brana me no so enkasa bi ansa na eduru ba bi a yakwa kosi enkonya no ten
e frame me say
fa yakwa say
oh bibia ye kama you see me ma hada ene me ba be hwe bi na misumanye bi aka
okay me so akoya me first time night inti yeguso a yeko na fe yene omanfo aguso a etwetwe nkomo ne yete ne say festival bi say eba bidura obehu spaces e wo kwan ho amanfo hyeda abegye na wabo apata fine no the carpenter se ho na waye decoration kama e the sound system agum a woman live where a point and kill many so edge ho pa nti okuto anumrei bomoden na fami braha na yeme pointe na fe yankele emayen na yemfandi afashe no nti hyane so sa emayen adwade no de kwa na ekoso adwade you know echi yeko mame hwe si ye ehunu na je ono so na dwenkyere kama na yene no edi nkomo sweetie good morning ati say
na madumo
okay your first saying
Benis
what the chrome higher now for
Pachane.
Okay, festival na ekose.
Ekosu pa obi ye hu yesu. Ekosu ye di eni su pache.
All right. But if you chrome hanom or how ben na e wa ha matse go for ka akwan ho asem, amanfo ka market ho asem, and then also work.
Market na ka amu e wo ni se ba ngofo amu tan ko ho.
Adenti na ngofo tan ko.
Cause Johnny nye wo no say amu call big market e wa down for. When I'm caught at the no.
Enti at the said there na the betum penifo anim efa market no.
Oh yes, so when so me hwe na onye market ni na go from bra better do market nse o me fa ka ko no hu akoto drag.
Okay. Yeah, kwaba ye ba me pese obeye adodi. E dey am ana ma me nko inside na me ne oba pani entwetwe enkomo. Ago. On teach you on. E obeka da ma me. Why? As you saying?
Inga saminya o yoyete. Wakawa saminya. Jeha le bana o. Pakwata na wala sekemi. Ne jeha ne ya. Ne bana o. Ne wa ya ne glo mo ne glo kwato kemanye o manye wala sekemi bi ya ne na wa. Ho ya ne na wa mi. Ne wa ya ne glo amone glo.
Esi enti yebekọ yanim esi enti yebekọ yanim na afei ye de nkomo no kakra osha omanfo bakro mama mo hihye om niema nso so hihye om niema edua ya esi machi eho edua no ho abakosem bi afei yehunu the significance of that tree edema ada krono ene asafutu fiame afahye no a yeba abedi no enti se yeduru ho no ma ene omanfo ebetwetwe nkomo be ma bibia bako de aha obi so yin phone a den oye video bako official pa good enti yene ewomo eguso a etwetwe nkomo ma meni nuan mo mai enkasa ansa na yedudu ya brana me no aha what you saying?
I'm fine.
Good. What's your name?
Love.
Utitwi.
I understand, but I can't speak.
You understand? Okay. Ufi krum here.
Yes.
Okay. It's a bit me akanda no. Feeling that it's saying festival na saying.
It's okay.
Me say kada.
O inge benesa say no me no ang expect e kan ba abebon le ba we hope.
Okay. Na say me tina o kana o say ekoyi but wo hwe anim say ngofo bebre ebeba meboa. Aha. Kasa na meti ansa na me free ha no na dan kasa no mate enti ye dru edua no ho awie no ye ne omanfo ebetwetwe nkomo school fo nso wa ha school ni bra school boy bra na me no kasa at saying
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Oh really? That's a kasa ne mu eden pass ha. Okay, so which class are you?
Form 3.
Form 3. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Peter Noah.
Okay, so we are here for the Asafutu Fiame Festival. How is the feeling like for you as a student?
Oh, for me as a student, I'm going to write my BC for the Asafutu Festival.
Okay, all right. So we wish you all the best in your examination.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, enti yadru hanumi mamini openi so enkasa na afi wi a ya mo openi
I'm good, yourself?
I'm okay. All right, your name?
I'm Freeman Charles.
Freeman
Charles.
Okay, so how is the feeling like this year's Asafutu Fiame?
Oh, the feeling there is amazing because it's once in a while. And then as the year approaches, everybody gets ready for the festival. And then as you can see, the town, everywhere is well prepared and organized.
All right. Medase. I don't know how many minutes more we have, but you bet nasi na afi yene oba penny atwetwe enkomo. Openi so hakra sem ne kasa. Openi Adom TV suni ye mo ache.
Ejao.
Bibi aboko de.
Bibi aboko.
Ye de nyame as medase so tibi katwi kakra. But we din.
Your friend me no titwam.
Okay. We dibre we position.
Me akonyawra ifie we mu.
O ye akonyawra. E wo fie we efie ni din design
adibia anana chonsi.
Okay, enti efie dodo sen efie ahodo sen ne ewo anaha
omundoso best ye was 7 gates wa adaha
7 gates ewo adaha
ba fe 9.
Okay, 9. Okay, enti momo de na oye akonya no ewura
ewo
ha afie Asafutu Fiame afahye no kosen
afina badu abe 20 yewom nti yesu ye dibi.
Okay, all right. Edua yi ehwo abakosem na ye ba bedi hu nkomo sisi yi hwan ne ne ba be kasa
ye emu edwuma nwura no omo ba na mu ndemo akasa.
Okay, omo ye henfo me so matrance but
omo ye adibia na 24.
Okay, enti omo ne ani omo eba be kasa afa
edua no.
Okay,
omo be chichie mu bibia mu ama mu.
Okay, All right. Medase papa medase Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM ti se na ka se de enkomo no nyina ebeba be wie ha no aha ana yedru ayeba betwetwe nkomo afa edua no eho yewie a na fe yede ne akoso nyina no yede abro mehwe se metimi akọ Facebook na me read Facebook comments no ebi de amawa na omamode am Facebook comment abano ya kenkan ede amount but we are here enti ye betena se na oba penny so atena se na ye de enkomo twetwe no ede abro but omo show omo mame ben me na ye twetwe enkomo aha ben me na ye twetwe enkomo okay enti sani aye nyina enim no twi ni de enya de aha twi no ebe den kakra enti obeka enkran na ne ebetimi akyerem no ya kyerem de amaw memeka twi no na waka no enkran de aman enti mamene oba pani me nana entwetwe enkomo nana wadaroma enti pato man tiase mam so betimi aka adan no betimi aka ada medase me pato ye ba ye behunu edua yi ewa ha ne hu se nananom mo ana mo ye hu adwuma amamre ne amane ahodo a ewo hu nyina no ye mo oh okay enti men kan no so nhyɛ da enye papa enti ono de obetimi aka ne kasa no enti bato mo kan kyerɛ ne man sɛ onka edua no ho abakɔsɛm kakra ɛma ahwɛfo ne atiefo a wo mo ɛhwɛ nana bato kyerɛ mu sa kyerɛ no mame
nye yogenu egesio abana chokongeyo kola ala nyege menesi atwa ili bon na ye dengo yegenu
nene wa mandegi nine chuo eke blema le boade lo wali nene baloko ji chuo ba masi lo wali nene ba pe mu ga chuo wali nene ba koko
anya se metena si ya omunim kwan fa so adua no eba besi ho okay adua no juma ben na edi pato ko bisa na mame
chuo nitimi mini nitimi na eju
wa belle made eke brema le boade eke pio le boade wali nene chuo e baba chun loko ji e masi still basa
wali benaka wo chuo masi wali nitimi
okay na penti pato pese meti asese eda adwuma no omo ye o minim se omo som ewo edua no eho adwuma ben na omo ye ebo oman ni nyina eho ban
wo pm yo wo wasomo wawo eta
bato eno osese
opa chese aye busum fie nti omusu omu sumu busun gibo oman ni ban sa no pa
okay ene na mema na kwanya na ode na sama yedie no ebia no wade se de bi ode beto emabunu no anim anase nananom anim pato ka kire ne mame
moje no kutampia mo fi amblon chokone ke ha sa woto wala je ha wa yo ka bene je ha so no wa tun wa wo maheni wa ha won wo ha mani sin wa mo be
bi honma be se bibisa o ma na ye bisa enti ye ni mpanifo
se mo ya di se mo be tun ye wa se mo ni anya nkomo ye di official
okay all right I'm say obusuani ade nyina de opani wadi ka akire mu deda me na kasa mo akire mu mafi pacho bibi wo ho ma person de so nana
Dabi opio no wa ba hin sipio na nya wa ejo nya de wo no.
But enkomo no sani enkomo no awakoye no ehu.
So think and come to can now match maka.
Oksa ho. Omanfo no. Me patcho. Ma patcho yenti obi.
Ikesio. Wa kosomi on choka wa ngesikala ni wa ke chuma heni. Ne wa ke ha duje ma wo me ho ahe ko ne no fe no na he wa mi do sika pere wo hia
ese metina say ya sika na omu hia na omu de aye adwuma wo man nim na ye de aye amamre ne amane e wa fashe no na afashe na timi adimu
eta
okay all right okay empuntu adwuma development nibi ni asani government afi koni ma aya no no hu nyaba nye efio imbanu ake market etu ni ojogba ni nyegbe gbeju keje junction e kebada bigada gbe hu ehin
ma hu ehin ka ba atu atu announcement ye no mini ta call it o ba announcement ye no le ange mi ngo mi wo bodi che ko hin si o mi nge motiti sebio jama no ko be on gbegbo un
gbegbo ka je okuru ra pe wo yan side of
ekoko
lo ko pray wa bo ma jo ka lo ko wa ma support ke no ko ni sana pe sana drama ha wo adra gbegbo mi ko ni lo mo na yen na pe fine so ya he ko mo o prepare
nye market e hu
market e bi awi ma do market o market e
mini o atu ni e market e
Isani president ebo madeko ha wo ni wo ko eje mi.
Wo ime nya ya jare.
Okay.
Ime nya ya market.
Gbegbo mai
gbegbo to yi.
Le ju anwa ni ma bele
don
shiton. Alo fo, Adam fo etan.
Okay. Yo, Yeba Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM the People's Forum and yede ebrewo yede nkomo no eba efi ya wa kwotwetwe enkomo ho ye nuanum bi wo ho no ma ye ne omo so ebe kasa enti yembra na afi ye ne omo entwetwe enkomo. Good morning.
Good morning.
The first thing
turn sour nice spot.
Okay. Festival no ekoseng.
Festival no about 6 years ago. Say to do ha mu topa but of mu work from the brain ti be akosuma funa na mu to and Namika say, apart from festival, no. Some year be far away, my Ufa Croman Shajaw Quansunti cab chimpa. Bon said there's a difficult going on in this town.
Okay, all right. Yeah, Madam was say, Auntie. Morning.
Morning.
What you saying?
I'm Adom.
Your friend saying?
Abigail.
Abi. Also, a chroma hair now for you.
Annie. She said, "Beko," but problem now. What on? I'm Mrs. You have the for more market. Nti mu ye bibi fa o ma ye market
Okay. Our mo femu ewo adan hanum.
Cook for Suba. Nkofo bebre ba.
Anti sports na ya hye outside private individuals to say no ma hye e wo hosa.
Be tempera. Iti omoye sana sometimes je customers e bi so na ma kosu ye na omo abe.
Okay. All right. Medawase na yakoye and Kasa. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
But you're frozen.
I'm from Balakin.
But you come here now.
Me fragomania. Me work coming. Me feel near me wagomania.
Okay. Market is question.
Market. Aha. Oh, every channel be kakra.
If your channel be. Okay. And then I will share them with your channel aircon.
I'm a for baby.
Okay. Mpaboy saying, Mimbisa Mpabano and the book kakra. Talote, we say, we are 20 Ghana. All size 44.
Will be.
Or 44. The Kwaba number be 44 back. Why? Medasi pa. Anti Yanko. Many are being. Okay, all right. Obi say, why do you insist they speak in Chi and not their own in their own land? If I were the chief, I will send you. Okay, I will send you out. Okay, but me mash for ne chief na NTS say platform ne also no. In as much as you entertain other languages, no, a can platform. And to say the media say eba will be a kroma, a tree near the juma, but say to me country no so now beka wa ukrum say ya igbe, say ya krobo, say ya hausa, say ya brofwa, ya mausa akwenya no. And not what ya assessor at the mao. And Nana Efia Drewer or say everyone is watching you live at Yamfo Ahafo region. Yeah, that's a papa. And we so say. Okay, my man can comment. We say, CJ, good morning. You are doing a very good job. Adom TV, please come to my hometown. But hometown, no, one far anka home, and Yanshe na Yanko Piaga, and so sharing live, Facebook, and when so say. I'm watching you live in Kaswa. God bless you, Adom TV. And also so no. Ma mimbu raha na menhwe. Me say me nua branch bi etiha. Yen kona fie ne no enkotwetwe enkomo. Officer, good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko de.
Pacho.
Your friend saying?
Vincent, I go to for.
Vincent.
Yeah.
O shop ni.
Pacho Devi.
Aha na wo ye adwuma.
Pacho Devi. Me a driver.
Wo ye driver.
Pacho.
E wo krom ha ya.
Pacho.
Okay. Festival no so far e saying?
Oh, there baby aboko.
Bibi aboko.
Yeah.
Then I will share any broni bisa your expectations. And then I will share any festival timing.
Oh, me trick salmon to make
Antikada.
Okay, what you ask you can ask them.
What are your expectations during this festival?
Oh, okay. No ko be se wa epeka no ko kika wa dance out to film no ko ne ebano every year in 1st August. First week in August, where Kenokuo, Wakakayo, our 4 fathers. Yeah, okay. I think so.
Okay. Since you are an indigenous of this town, what are some of the challenges? Or how many
challenges of what?
In the town, people are talking about markets. You are a driver. I want for so can acquire the roads.
Okay, no one I don't know. One I don't say. Actually, ni apo attend to kama pemini amaya market to me wa blon ehin wa fia egongon lu wa district assembly kan ye no ko na pen wa say o e chonga bele ngoja no le nge.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, that's papa.
Because for say yes festival say no omo ba krom na mu ye ade a enye eti omo asho ye say ye we nu omo ba bibi amaye eti omo send 40 cottages before because station home no omo keke say aka 30 eti ma say yes ampa bibi akosu yi eti ye pe sena omudi ye juma no mi pesa mi cha omu nyina se de bia no se your flow mo no ma ye de pe ama ye tise sei.
But we work quite penny wo krom hanumi or how ben na mo wona ha security ni de waka say festival time mama security pa a obo police for abaso but aside no or how ben na wo hanu be say odi betuja ma
ye ni eduma eduma bia kofa wo krom no omu be ye eduma ba ko pe na wo krom ha ye tu adode kanye cheke adode enu kwa ne boss no ye eti enu so seasonal eti se season chua mo na ke se eduma ni ho biom na mu omu ni nam krom sa na nyama enye na omu ye.
Okay, all right. Madam, I'm penny for the bill. You know, more between Uncle Mopenny, yeah, that's papa. Muchum.
Movie station, eh?
Adom. A month for no, I'm from Hankasano, and I say no more at train and come on. Unjiminga. Unjiminga sound. Okay. Sana ya sometimes. Enti yanko yanim. Yanko. Good morning. Pacho Shamami. Good morning.
Morning.
That's saying.
Pacho Boko.
Good. Your friend saying.
Your family Ama.
Auntie Ama. Krum haya na ofion.
Pacho.
Asafutu fia na afie de no e ko saying. Canada, with my Canada.
Wa hear me.
That's a name, sir. Then I will share any more. I mean, your expectations, and then I will share any more.
Minidiam Becca.
Mundim Becca. You buy and go for some market, Mundi market, where I been to say a quino and ye, who did your hanum at the same. And yet. The market was about one person back market. I didn't see one person back market. Yeah, market no one, but Gentua de market. Now, say, or beam, I'm schedule or find you soon. I know money now, Moncoto, considering to say market no at Tigono Bianco market. Okay. Antama, yeah, that's a papa. Antama, a yisa. So I throw in a sound. Antama, a yisa, no. To Osha, most of the trading activities and activities, I must say, Kwaya Yanamsui. And I think that this is what the assembly. Na edwadifo nyina yi omo ede omo kodwa kese enim na omo ekokodi omo dwa ewo ho ma yenhwe mehu selection bi wa ha ah be hwe se benya me size a anwumre se metimi ede atoso na se ede sit down. Auntie, good morning.
Morning.
But at the same
Nyame adumo.
Your friend saying
oh we
mehu se oh yes selection bi wa ha we wo de command kwara no
pa try.
Okay bi nso no yi ekura we
pa try
na fa se no e ko saying.
Oh, I couldn't ye pa.
Okay. Ufi krom ha ya.
Pacha.
Ba ya beti ahawa hodo market ne kwan ne ade ho asem. Etisen den na abeka fa ho.
Oh, say ya fashion tea. Adu ya fashion tea ye dinti ye toniama. Ye fine pa kama ye pa.
Mo market na ewo krom ma be a mo kodi dwa no. Etisen.
Oh, fine pa. Ka say fine pa.
Fine pa.
Pacha.
Okay. Ono so say market no. Na me no ekotwetwe nkomo ante braha fanisi na bra na me no enkasa fanisi na bra ya be ya de na yaba enti fanisi na bra. Good morning.
Morning.
Ati say
Na me na Adom.
Your friend say
Elizabeth.
Auntie Lizzie.
Papa.
Ufi krom ha.
Pacha.
Okay. Market ti say
Na me na Adom eye.
Eye on.
Ai.
O me science, ubenya me science, me petit shirt.
Ai bi wo.
Ubenya.
Pacha.
Me kwa ban ma be yi ba.
Pacha.
Ufi krom ha, how be na mo fa mo krom ha.
I say. Market no. Na asem wom. Na matam say am pese ye market ni ye. Nya baby enhedwa.
Munya baby enhedwa.
Pacha.
Say market ni so ho nso mo nko hedwa o market.
Bi de be. Ohon mo uko hedwa no so mo mba ho. Omo mba ho no. Ensi eba ha omo aba ha kakra.
Uko hedwa no wo ho a omo mba enti kwan ho na mo pe.
Ai.
Na assembly no ama mo kwan say mo hedwa ha.
Debi. On my kwan so ye na ya so de aye tena.
Word na no use no. Say mo na maso eden.
Eden.
That's it. Enti na say asem no na me nua ba no waka no. Opani ati say
Ami Adom.
Bi aboko. Fandango no bi wo mo. Mamba ko na bi osuma me na ntwetwe nkomo. Mamba ko bi osuma me say me fan cool na fe. Timi nua ba men ono asidwom ate say ne ice cream ne ade pie ne ade na ka ho. Nti mamba ko bi osuma me na ye ntwetwe nkomo good. Aha. Krom ha na ofi.
Pacha.
E fro say.
Friend me Simon.
Market ti say.
Oh, Nyame Adom. Eko. Awo hu ana pa ya sidwom. Nyame adaroma bibia be kojojo.
Say oh how unima enene de abepese be kan ho asem.
Oh, aha mum de mi hu how bia mum ha sa de. Mi hu how bia wa. No so yeshi edu emrese ya street no so yeshi na yeshi sa so a enije okurum yeso yeba ha no yebepe esika
Em nwa say o say unhu how bia e kwan e free junction ha mo how
ha me pa kwan ne de
so say o say how bia ni
Okay. Uka kwan na. Okay. Eka se kwan ne de enye. Mpenyufo no so omo fa so da so me hu changes a omo de wurem. Nti no yen ha na ne kwan no. Na omo hwe so man na yeso enije ebrefie man. Okay. Tin ya wo kan no.
Ni ame no me na say 5 cities on. Me produce okuto be ma osika. Penim na ye ne omanfo no entwetwe nkomo enche bia de nkomo no ebesi na afi ya to aso me dey chief Jerry Forsen asafutu fiami afahye hwajuma ye de ye ne omanfo twetwe nkomo ka adoma mamre a ye ka se ya giba bia won ehefia aha enti sa na nkomo no akoye adwadifo ne nuanom mba bi ewa hadman ne omo ebekasa na afi yakoye no ante mbacho bra na me no nkasa mbacho bra eti sen
Pacha Nyame Adom
ye fro sen Erica kuma he ya na ofi
Pacha
okay festival na ekosen so far
Pacha so far okay chain last year no
aduma be na oye
me caterer
enti one year aduane a woton
dabi na
one year aduma enjoy my after dey obeji wani o
Pacha
okay how be na mo fam e wa ha Erica
a whole lot ye kwan no enye papa na ye traditional cancer no ka enye papa
and the okan say wa cancer mkese pa o
Anochwa ba masaya tena se ebraso se yedi enkomo na yebeda game pack fo ase se wo mo ekura ye mu abrane unim se numbers in the 4846 and ere numbers ayede ama wo na yenkwadi nkomo a manager tena se ofi Active Point Dental Clinic yekokwetwe ye se ho enkomo kakra manager Bright osay Frimpong opanyi machi
enua
ene yedi ese ho nkomo se bia obi se ho anya ha na opese osifufuro or replace na me pacho mami any kan kra emusa se ese no ni dwumadie ne sei
makoso achia wona wo Adom TV ya ka esen di adwumaso bebre wo yanum apart from say ye dey resade say de be ya edru yam a emfa problem emma no esen no etimi ma ye nkasa ho ete mima yen kasa if say words ni bi wo ho a say esin ni wanum a enye kra untimi mmoso da bia meta ka say wadwuma wo yi say esin enye esin ne boa wa nka words bibiri wo ho a o kan je say ye the microphone no ebe tawa swa no ho pe ansa ne ehuni a wo pese o kan yi no ifri ho a the aesthetic form no so e wo ho no say ebe ma wanim dua ayefe say sin eni wanim a eni wanum a wan hwa obebo Badwam no ana obebo akokora mono akoda uswape na unisia unhu se nanim atotom na munyenya sen pe na hyase se tutu na wani akire ankohese ubesia kakra wo se age no wo 30 years but ukachiro bi se onhwe wo so ema wo age a obeka se bia 45 ana se 60 kura o de be ma ni nyina ne se wanim no hyase se moamoa nti esen edi akotene paa wo ye nipa duamu a se wa ma wadwen ankoso a obra wo bre wo kodwa so akoton nyina no wanhwe ye be kakra sika no aba nanso na udi aduane no na abeya asem wuyi ni nyina firi ho a se sen kura ni wanum a emma yade a ye frɛ no halitosis ana bad breath no etimi ebitimi ebe ya ukom na ebitimi ba wanum a afi o kasa na enipa etwe won hone edi free ho nti se wo hwe yen na se esen wanya bi na wo toto na se wahu se tokuru abeda bi mu wayi wani wahu se ade yellow bi abehye ntemo a ye friend plaques ana calculus ana tatis abehye wanum wayi wani mia na mede ho me ho edi manum be kakra no ebe trawa na afi oyonko a sebe one ne share one ne bokusu atafre ho kani a one da mpa ba akoso no afi na de na ye wow problem no na no abe ono so problem if say wo koka say na enka bi edi a kire nti ubusa me se esen adwumaso a edi wo yanum na kakra metimi aka eno no
and ye teeth replacement eno nso ye de ade a
ye ka teeth ana tooth replacement a ye wo sen no na afri ho na opese uye bi ehye ho
okay
yo nipa bebre a wo hwe anope ye onim kura se o seni tu a ye wo doctor ana ye obi a otimi eye sen no seso e de hye ho
okay
ma performing the functions of the teeth
obeye ne pepepe ma yo hu se we okay
na de man ye de ne se nanim de ekwanimu bebre ama sene obotom tie bia unya wo seso ene wo de
okay
ye wo de ubetimi de ahya wa utimi yi ehohoro esa de hye eno ewo honom na no kra seso no ya sa ye bia emu o ha yie pa de na ye dinim no ya ne mu odu kakra nti obi o hya wo se ya na mano ayedu
okay
ya sa asesemu ama
ye yi edete honom no na bida TV so ya
na ebida TV no eso na o hwe no
okay
eno no o de sha udidi wi obi kra hya chama ono akra timi hye dididi ahia se obeyi ansa na wadidi eno ewo ho afei ye de friend crown enso ona crown no ye ta de hye obi a ne sin bi a abu
okay
na abu no kasa okoye feeling na esan ba bia the location of that particular tooth no one way na o de card ye bebre o kasa oye feeling de ahye ho a na akoyi de etimi ye crown no bi ehye ho
crown ne de asa na de bi hyehye mu yi
eno ye implant
we ye implant
de dade no hyem no implant ha eno so yetimi eye ma eno no say implant no ukoma o doctor ye bi ma wa hyeho afebo
okay
obeje no the crown no bi ana say bridge difference e wom ni say ye ba ko ye crown
okay
ne mo brum ba ko ana ye bridge no so bu ana sin no mienu na atu eno no ko na o se wo ye crown na enye yie se be yie age se wa ye implant ana di amount no de be hye na mienu atu na opese wo ye bridge ni bia eno no seso no se ere hyew na mini aba se unnim se na nipa no se atu a na hye ho a difference no ya na eseyi difference here da nim sa difficult ze obetumi ahu ze o we de yes ne se na atu na wahye ana se we de bridge ni bi na wakohye ndi se ne ubotom titie bia no se ukọ na ukohu dentist ana obetumi aba active point
okay
wo ana oni ba bia okọ eno na obefa active point se ye dentist
ofra kokora na oba active point be so ye hwe
ofra number no a ye be hwe de ye show ni nyina no ye bi active point dental clinic
na doc na se na nkam de mesin na mdodo matutu na mse menhye enti se mese na bi tu film na ma mesia wo how bay na de be ma me
se ebi tu film na wansi anka wa na ode ho de wanum se ne wo ka no de mo no esen nyankopon nyansem no wabosen no 32 32 no ekwan beda ba bi pe ana bi tu no wansi a bunso bu ana ne sena hyehye kama ba akutu ya wansi ntino na ekwan ahyase ya bede dantemo ko fele ba bi etu ye no saa na ya hye no se onye the aside se ma wo sen hyehye no asey no wuyi no firi ho a busa hu se de kra na all of a sudden wo ho na wo sen atu it could be say problem bi na aba ese okohwe na wo solve free ho na we free ho anya sa se de ba akokọ ye no the next yin so ba akobesa akọ obi wo ha obi enu ane se no hya ase etu 10 bo mu minya nhunu bi
yes e ma akọ
ye ba akọ apart from say e bi a trauma na injury bi accident bi na akonya ye na e bi a mienu miensa na 2 ye no e hya ase ba akọ mienu miensa ti ba akọ no 2 ya no ne ye se wo koye ne se ukohu dentist ana wo ba ma ye hwe wo ne hu se o gingivitis bi kura na unya ye ekuro bi na ba wanum ekuro ba wanum a e weekend the cementum ne e wedresen no managina brand no attack no na esen no abaye loose ndo bi wa ne sen no aye mobile esen se ye mobile esen se koba but yare unya sa gingivitis bi a bo se wow do techrema e kan sen na bo se keka e keka no eno je se ni da so asa won ma una ye ntientia o dentist ho a yetimi maduro e ma hoden san aba mu biem
nti active point obi hwehwe mu afa hin bi nim se branches no doso location se be bi eben obi a obetu ana mu akowura ho
they say Kristo Adom active point no nkrabata no doso Accra ha ye wo Jowulu Cresby Junction okoka so anso a Crispo City Junction as we be a farm depot kese no active point ho okokuma se ya ye wo Danyame Ultimate Radio Santansi runabout ho na ubusa ECG na active point ho ye oboase na Miles Junction so ene ye wo sahwidwuna se yesa wo sunwane edi ba bia wo bia wo Ghana ha no de ya make sure say ye ben wo say de be ya unanti bebre ansa na waba ya so ya na wo frɛ number na 0554 571 779 wo frɛ sa number na ba bia wo bia no obetimi aba afenso ye wo oral products bebre wo ho a obetimi abeto bie bu ha opɛ teeth whitening no ye bi wo ho opɛ sɛ wo sisin na etu na ye be bi ama mpo sɛ esen na sɛ na pɛ sɛ oyi free ho na ho etɔ a ɛno so ye bɛhwɛ aya ama
to kura bedem no a
to kura bedem no wo tena ho ama ne sɛ wie na ye ntimi nya ne hwe a ye be advice ne ayi afri ho afenso halitosis no ana wanum na nka kakra wo wanum na opɛ sɛ wo yi free ho a ɛno so ba active point a ye bɛhwɛ ba bi enka no efri na ye treat e de amount uyi no to free ho a opɛ sɛ o sinu ye fita active point ye be ma o sinu ye fita afenso braces da dade na ye de hye sen so no
e di gugu sen so se chain bi no
e bi ana o sen wonya crowded mouth wo overbite bi wo underbite bi o sen na ye prekesin e wo wanum a vitru ye mma no ye nhya se ntem with fast braces no within 6 months pepepe na wonya results na uko yi afri ho akohye retainer ama esen no aye kama kama ndi
de fa wanu hu bia no active point ye bi wo honum obetimi afre number na na 0554 571 779
yada se doc say woni ye edi nkobabusua opanyini eye bright osai frimpong ono no ye general manager Emma Active Point Dental Clinic numbers in the good screen ne so no free sabria na bo mase ho ban wo panyini so bo ho ban wate na anwura ngu abra eni se edwirigu ye na ye ho mrato ye ba nkomo ne de akachi na no cheba ba me de beto so me basisia Ebusia menya tra CD na wodi mse nwumakuo bi ne kura me mu abra ne Emma metwetwe nkomo anope na menkai wo se nyankopon ya adoma wo chene fia de yi West Hills Mall ye no ewo kaso akwan no eso no ye djumadi stronko ebro we ye Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair and ye de brewo na nwumakuo ahodo a omo wa dansie mu nimudie omo ton adan ho ne ma mu nimudie wo mu otufu abankra na ebia pese wo to dan real estate TV anaso se ebia kra na opa ba bia sidan wo pasase wo sidan wo wie opa ma babo so ma wo baba ma pono papa de ato mu a ya boa san krofo nyina no wo fa ko ya wo kwa entity ne nkyerɛkyerɛ safata no ubenya wo dwumadie no ase na ye free ochina ekopem kwasiada. So in fact Friday, Saturday, Sunday ye jinam Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair na enwumaku a wo mu babie ye mu kra yasene bo no Elegant Homes and General Constructions Limited also where quality meets value and now your global lightning your solution to quality lightning. Syntax tanks say a tough and African a strong. Gold Key Properties say and say or your building prestige since 1997. Springfield Estate in Sokahubi, where dreams are built. Home ownership, affordability, comfort and luxury. And as a Wuba Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair Yasia, Ubenya Yashawea powered by Planned City Extension Projects, ye free cities and habitat. Inti Bishow, Ayana Watwafa, Westers Homo, na de beko subiano, with when Yako woman so Eddie Janan woman Eddie Gita home. Dominion Herbal Powder, so was round apart, Mr. We here be, Pensua Eshe, was Saturday, Madi Gumno, Numu, one nom, Oba Quano Papa Quanumbra, a boost to immune system, Monya, what they for fra, what they ebeye Juma, Sanso, Anna, Dominion Herbal Ointment, and so, when a baby, ye be a washam pabuatinti, Budrufi, when 19 or 9 personal, a jua, for Bituchi, was also ready and we are yat for Bituchi, Sissy baby, na enye kama, Mr. Wad, a buso across, Simon Tema, Cofridia, so who much more than so many. Herbal shops ne pharmacies wo nyina no ubenya bi ubefra 0543 158195 na Dominion Herbal Powder mpanyufo ebeje so Great Gift Herbal so say adoma chede me show yade bi ateti obi ahwehwe Grace Gift Herbal for na wo mo ente de te emma wodim say omo location de emienu Kumasi Yohwim School Junction Barakese Kwante mpo no so Accra ha so no wo mo ewa New Achimota Petroleum omo ne Family Life International School no e de share dem 0244 126 123 Grace Gift Herbal Clinic ebeje so Adom City Estates so ene ye catch us yesrew we no a multi award winning real estate company ye bo hono mo ensase no mesrew omo obi sanso na adan wo mo obi 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom executive detached, nyina ewobi. Na esha se free 300,000 Ghana cedis. Neja wenya de ho beto na no manyina trem kama. Na ye catch you say, uwura mu a ensuo wo ho, enkanea schools wo inside ankwada de benya bia kosa community ho, afo mo police station wom, akwan de nyina wo mo aye mesrew free 0308 250068 0308250068 we Adom City Estate for ena free. Snake to say emfa woni adwuma wo ye so oton brodo so wo yetiri so opamade so oton ne ma wo kwan ho so ototo kokko mesra ne snake for nya hihye wate wo kwa asem de me madwuma na me yesika e ba mensam boso me yesei eti metimi ntutu so dudu a metimi de 100 cedis na 200 cedis na to obusumi bia ahohene nti ne yegina mowre sebe ya bre no so na konkokora bre no mere wabom asnete for ebetimi atwitwa age wo uti ofia betumi adile *711*9# *711*9# na wotua woto na ye fefefe Piwak Herbal Piwak Healthcare wo mo na kofa 3p garlic mixture abedwa so besro Ope Meals Booster a yesa drone wa high blood pressure wɔ so a mesrɛ nom bi menstrual pains wɔ so a mesrɛ nom bi Africa na high sugar level wonso ebu a ne nan ne nsatimi yetitiriti wo de ade pem de kora wonte why kase abrusu stroke etetewa whether ye 3p garlic mixture we every p work healthcare ho and abanti bi show ene wo kan shi kofisa mo benya bi kuma se dani herbal and afi kolenak ho Albert Sam herbal takrade so AA Mensa and astunwa green light pharmacy with my free p work natural health for 0248 928824 na wonom ebejo so Franco Trading Enterprise say Nokia phones now per Samsung, iPhones, smart TVs, fridge, laptops, and a CCTV camera installation. You know, the both here now with Jumamua, no connect your phone to be on piano, who be a name of course will be a whole here. And to download the Franco app to phones and woman in Kita won't be more. Near more Tony Nagua and answer be free 0246 422338 in a Franco Trading Enterprise. Ebejo. So we said McQuay. And I cry mu ama matenase ankomochwe esafata no mede asomwo na ebrano de enya ye bia ne sa na me kwa nso anesa na ansa mesore no na Burma Camp Primary and GHS Burma Camp Primary and GHS Complex Old People's Association eternity ase kopa wo mo se we no manya mfinsia duosia 60 years enti homecoming strong kokra na eba so yankopon ya dom ochina enti no se wokoye Burma Camp Primary and GHS na wo de wani monyam akota wo mo chi games bebre na bekoso wo hono ma ebe ye fefefe na me so me sorry free hayi me wo Unimark GIG yeko school kakra wo ho enti ene entrepreneurship first strong kokra koso a ye students ni nyina no ideas a esu bi ma da obi e kopete na idea ya pete kra ma the products be ba ma mpanifo etumi access we no be say ye nkra me ehunu sa nkra nwuma no nso wo ye babunu na wo sase bia ebekoye na aba na eboa ye wo hunu say wo nsa no dwuma na atu wo nso wo fo bo hunu fa so wo so say wo ye nsa no dwuma nti nei no Unimark GIG entrepreneurship fair no ye nyina me free ha na me kobi ye be ye fefefe busua kai say wo hia me a wo be frɛ me anochiwa ba ajwa sewa bedwom ne de somwo no ne yakwa adanso asafutu fiami ekoso enua be ma chief Jerry Force engineer mu a de be koso be ba ba bia no kakra ye de ne nyina ebe ma wo ye mo ache ye dase yakra